Yes, I wanted to visit the sunny day.
Oh
Hey
my
there.
god, hey there. I think Zach loves me.
I
How's
mean,
not
who
a great
doesn't?
sunny day?
Oh my god, I am so fantastic. Ready to wrap up these cases.
What cases?
This one and that one.
Oh, okay.
And the other one.
What's the other one? I know this
Uh,
one and that one.
Katarina Graves, sentencing or verdict,
I
Monday.
see, I see. Next Monday? Oh, God. That's right
Yeah,
after
it
Sony.
is only by chance I am being able to be available at that time. It is last day, a very long break. Hmm.
I'm. I don't know. There's a bunch of stuff that's like shifting, like a bunch of new judges, new prosecutor, and like probably the same PDO, but like officially, it's just weird.
Picked a nice spot out. It's a good mattress behind an alleyway.
You're not gonna be homeless. Think about it this way: no one's gonna care enough to compete.
True. Actually, no one wants my job.
No one wants your job.
I can see why.
Mm-hmm. Montana, you want his job?
Sure, why not?
Can't get
That
cracking.
is a big mistake.
fill out the letter of interest, my dude. If you win, we're kicking you
Conversations
out.
I've had with
Or
Winnie,
we lose.
fuck that.
Why?
The shit you're going through as a fucking public defender, not the state public defender? Fuck that.
Yeah. Yeah. Look, being private and defending criminal cases in private doesn't mean you don't have like the very silly, stupid cases. They do still happen, but they happen more in PDO.
Yeah, because most of the silly, stupid cases can't afford private attorneys, or
They're willing to fucking risk it because there's nothing they've invested.
Or the private attorney
Right.
can just be like,
no,
no thank you.
No, goodbye.
I will not be representing
¿Qué
this.
pasó, douchebag?
Jesus.
We can't sometimes still.
We can.
It's very difficult. It's very rare.
Wish it was
To be
easier, but also
declining
that'd be
the
a
cases?
constitutional problem. Yeah.
I'll see you in a bit. Bye.
There's a
Doc,
lot
that
of
mortgage
layers to
changer I
this.
talked to you about.
I thought that was your right, is the private
Oh, yeah.
attorney.
Thank you.
So that's what I mean. It's very hard because technically we can decline people if they do not take our advice whatsoever. So if they are completely wasting our time, we can tell you no. But you have to prove that, and that's really hard to prove. And then the other one is if they don't talk to us. So if they don't get back to us in a week, we can also drop them. But other than that, even if they have too much money, for example, we just can't give them priority, but we still have to work the case.
I don't really understand what not give priority means. Like, do we just care less about you?
I guess so. I don't know either.
I don't. What does
No
that
case
mean?
prep, just show
I'll
up
be
to the
back
court.
soon.
Yeah, exactly. What does that mean?
Yeah, just wing it.
Like, you have
the
too
heck
much
was that?
money. I didn't care. Oh, Zach.
Oh,
Zach Michaels, lawyer of the court case yesterday that we were speaking about.
You make it so easy to make fun of him.
Look, I have a soft spot in my heart for him. He just gets overwhelmed and angry.
He's saying one day in the sales, oh, I am sorry, my brain is not working right today. I see today. What brain?
Dunk.
It come from a place of love.
Of course.
Hey there. I'm making sure can be hearing. My day was good. I played some Raft earlier. And now I'm getting ready for this pre-trial conference we are supposed to have. Probable cause hearing. I don't know where the Mr. Clarkson was.
Oh. Fucking greatest hits today. Hey, Rosh. Well, we're just literally chilling at the courthouse, being stood up by Killian, and just shooting the shit. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, to be clear, we do have a hearing, but we don't have a hearing. Yes, exactly. we're just chilling over here with bunch of lawyers, you know, some judge named Doc, you know, pretty cool future judge, you know, things like that if you're bored. Okay, have fun. Yeah, you'll win that fight. Yeah, good luck with that. I mean, that might have worked.
I'm going to get on duty today, I think. After this hearing.
Okay, see ya.
Oh.
Bye.
I got my...
I like Raj.
Oh, good.
Hope he sticks around. Yeah.
Ah, yeah. I like him.
Yeah, he's got a good cut of his jib. And half a brain.
Let me see. This should work.
Probably more than half a brain, but we'll give him time.
I got a new charging case for my AirPods.
I didn't know you became a clerk, by the way, Jace.
I have a very important
What's that, Winnie?
go suit shopping meeting to go to.
Okay. I didn't know you got clerkified.
Oh yeah, I got clerkified. Yep.
You should have been
Congrats.
at his interview. It was the second best interview I ever attended.
What
Was it the second
first?
interview you've ever
mine.
attended?
No,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
it was like the third or fourth. I went to Doc's interview.
That's true.
I went
Fucking-
to Mr. Winston Worth interview.
Brantford's
I'm never gonna remember
interview?
his name. No, he's Brandon.
He's. I don't think he's. I
He's
don't know how
Brandon.
well he. Don't know how well he's
I
going
went
to
to this other
receive that.
guy interview who was wanting to be the judge, but he did not able to tell me any objections.
Oh no.
Mm,
Mm.
that one was pretty great. Then I went to Jay's interview. I'm feeling like there was one more, but I don't be remembering.
Probably Sammy's interview. No.
No, I don't think I went to that one. I
Mm.
missed that one.
Oh, you might have missed that one. Yeah, I can't remember.
I don't see her in a minute. Oh,
Yeah, me either.
more DOJ being on duty.
Really?
Harvey Rose.
Oh wow, there's two of you guys. Incredible. It's like double.
Don't worry, the police will still call the judge for the legal question. Tell me I am wrong.
You're not.
No, you're not.
I mean, they could call us. My heckin' phone, I swear to God. They could call us. Defense attorneys can just tell them how to do it, and then everything will be great. No problems there.
Yeah, maybe.
Perhaps.
But if they calling you, you will just tell them, oh, I could very easily win this in court. And then they will say, okay, never mind.
I have only done that once in front of you.
In front of you.
Yes, that was a very, very important thing to put on the end. I don't big dick and sell reps very often, but I do every once in a while when it's stupid.
Mm-hmm. Stupid.
Stupid. Yeah. I don't know, like I don't know. I don't throw my weight around unless I really, really, really mean it, because then then the cops don't get tired of you arguing every single time. Then they believe you on the few times you do it.
You do say do.
Oh, you said it. You said that. You said it. Yep.
Oh, Julia Coco Mills? I don't know what
I will
this
say-
is. Oh, it's the
What?
cookies. I get Girl
Oh,
Scout
the
cookies.
cookies.
I only have enough
Where
for
are
me.
Girl Scout cookies from?
They're the All
Your
Scout
mom's house.
cookies.
Oh, okay.
I get it from the policia. When are they going to come out with the album so I can put the pictures in it and look at them easier? Do you know how difficult it is to look through a stack of fucking pictures?
They have albums.
Really?
They should have that, right?
Where do
Yeah,
I
they
get
do.
the album?
The Mossy place.
How many pictures fitting in one?
Ethan had a couple. There was like 20? 20, I think.
I need a couple.
I think maybe the trick was that they had it for the ones you develop, but not for the instant cameras.
That
That
is
might
what
be the
I
trick.
need.
Mm.
I need one
Yeah.
for the instant cameras.
Maybe they fixed that.
I got
I
someone
would keep
from
them.
Mossy Stone in my contacts if you need it.
Oh yes, that would be perfect. I need
I'm
to
gonna be
talk it
back.
to
I
them.
don't
I
like
need
this
more
shirt.
film, and I need to get. One day I will have keys to there. If only there is probable cause hearing today.
All right.
I need to
I
get
miss the
another
hearing.
drink.
No, I didn't. Wait, there's a hearing?
Yeah.
You were just like, we're just hanging here for no reason? I guess we do that.
Honestly,
Oh.
yeah.
Give me a minute.
Yeah.
I'm going to look
I
at this.
kind of
phone.
did.
I'm going to get the
Aw.
drink.
Nothing, sorry. Doc, you got a sec?
I'm working on 2Ks. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
Maybe you should yell at him and then I'll give you a sanction.
Okay, first off,
Did you pay that?
no, it's a discussion that's going to be had later.
By the way, he wasn't mad at you.
You what?
He was not mad at you yesterday. He was mad at other things.
What do you mean?
Killing when he said we got to do this later.
Oh! Oh, okay, good. I was like, oh fuck, how fucked am I?
Only moderately.
Excuse me.
Just like a good. just
I'm fucked.
just a tender kind, just like a middling.
No, I don't know.
Oh,
What does that
well,
mean?
Did you not get the flyer? You don't know the code words?
No.
Okay. Well, you just have to figure it out, I guess.
Okay, that's not helpful, Winifred. Now you're gonna make me be shitting bricks until he finally comes and talks to me.
Shitting bricks is not one of the code words.
I sent you her number, Sonny.
Yes, thank you. I don't know if she will answer the phone.
She should.
Hello there.
Hello?
Is this Lady Green? Mossy Oaks?
Is it what?
Lady Green with Mossy Oaks?
With Mossy Stone. Am I clocked in?
No.
No, I'm not. Okay, cool.
I just had a question.
Uh-huh.
If you could, I have apologized for to be bother you. The photo album. Does that work with the Polaroid pictures?
No, those, you can't really, like, look through in a photo album like the others. I think they're working on a photo album for them at some point, but right now there isn't one.
That is unfortunate. Very difficult to look at the pictures. You have to, like... Very difficult.
Yeah, well, the Polaroid is a lot newer, to, like, our lineup, so, I'm hoping to see an album for that in the future.
Okay, thank you for your time. Sorry to be bothered.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
No album.
No album?
How come
Kaboom?
your shoes do not match your jacket? You look like you tried, but you come up short. Two different greens. Look how shiny this floor
Three
is
different
here.
greens. You know what
You
we
want to
should
get a
do?
closer look at it, Sonny?
Oh no.
This floor is being so shiny. Listen, not to be inappropriate, Lady Baker, but I can see up your skirt.
Stop looking at my skirt, Sonny.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, will you stop assaulting people?
There we go.
For no reason whatsoever. I'm just gonna.
Hello?
Oh
Oh my god, the brandishing. Why are you brandishing? That is
So I
a
believe we're at
crime.
an impasse here, Sonny. I think this is what we call a Mexican standoff.
No, I don't think so. I believe what you are doing is a crime. What I am doing, not a crime.
That is definitely a crime.
No, it is not.
Yes. Yes, it is.
This also not a crime.
That is assault.
No,
That's also assault.
Oh
no,
my
it's
God.
not.
I'm being
That's
threatened.
a knife.
Yeah, not a crime though.
Yes, it is.
No,
It's a threat.
not.
You are threatening me, so
Am
that
I
is a crime.
threatening?
That is assault.
I don't think I am threatening.
Assault with a deadly weapon.
Am I being threatening?
I mean, I don't think knife stabs are lethal anyway, so it's fine.
Oh, yep,
What?
yep. There was.
Winnie? Are you sure about that?
Oh,
Yeah,
I had
I'm
a,
immune.
I had a medical professional in the court
Okay, not all of us have
testify
gotten
to
stabbed
the
before.
minor stab wound.
Actually, that's a lie.
It is only the
I
threat,
haven't stabbed.
assault with the deadly, if I am being like this while holding the knife.
It's a very important stance.
Yeah, if I am looking intimidating or threatening. Not just standing with it. Not a crime.
Be brandishing?
But somebody here did be brandishing the firearm. I don't know where they are. somebody in this area right there. No, you cannot brandish anything but a firearm in the state of San Andreas.
Winifred?
Huh?
John just texted me. Raj is asking to work for PDO and me. Winifred's position is becoming fucking contagious. I texted him back. So I heard. I'm gonna send him back as well. Hey, so is now a bad time to tell you I was thinking of going to PDO?
Absolutely. Do it.
Done.
I'll be right back. 2 seconds.
This is gonna be great.
What'd he do?
Fuck off.
Well, this is going great.
I needed to put my Apple Watch on the charger. It was dying. That is a lie. It has been dead for like weeks. Always forget it. Oh, I need to feed my dog. He's twitching. Under the desk. He loves to sleep under this desk. I should get in the cute doggy bed. But I did not.
Okay, anyways, before I get distracted, what case is this that we're having?
This one, oh god.
Oh, hey!
Dan-
Speaking of the devil.
Raj, you've got John all in a tizzy. I need you to know that.
Who's John? Oh, Coronado, that guy.
Oh, this
I
guy
know him.
really just asked who's John. Wow.
Well, hey there, Mr.
Listen,
Gupta.
I just spent it's like 30 minutes with a guy telling me he's Owen. Okay, I'm my head's in the swivel.
Who?
Oh, you met with that guy?
Yes, I'm Owen. I'm Owen. I'm Owen. And no,
Oh, and who?
Oh God. Yep,
I
I
don't
dealt
know.
with him.
he didn't mention the last part. He just said he's Owen. I don't know what his last name is.
Oh, and what?
Oh, Mr.
Kaczynski?
Michaels, I got you a present.
Kowinski?
Oh boy. Kandinsky?
Is
Yeah,
it the
Kandinsky.
Kadinsky's?
There it is.
Ah.
Nice guy, but he did not like when I told him how much civil cases cost.
Aw, Sonny, thanks.
Now you will not smell bad.
Okay, I kind of had a feeling that's where you were going with that.
I forget who gave to me, but it's smelling like the mom fragrance.
You know, Sonny,
Why is he in a tizzy? I think that we had a lovely conversation.
He said
Here's
it's
a gift for you as well.
contagious.
Oh my god! Fun,
Yeah, I
okay.
know.
Because Montana's not here anymore, but he also pointed at Montana wanting the same thing.
Yeah, because Montana didn't want to work charity, but for a private company, it's like UNICEF, but instead of UNICEF, it was Amazon. You know, they're just silly.
What? Raj, what the
What?
fuck are you talking about?
You don't get paid to do work, and then all your money gets paid to someone who didn't do any of the work. That's what it is.
Okay, bro.
I am very used to doing
like
all the work
communism,
for
except
people who
not.
don't be doing any work.
It's like, anyway, it's fine. It's fine. It was a lovely conversation. Brutal honesty is something I'm trying, and I'm liking it.
Ah, it looks
I'm a
good
big
on
fan.
you. I don't know.
How's
I have to
everyone
finish
doing?
these cases, so not before Monday.
Good. We're just kind of chilling at
We're
this point.
we're here, you know.
I did tighten my tie.
There is a pre-trial conference in 38 minutes.
Happens.
Oh, is
Alright.
this just the PT? Is this just a PTC?
Yes.
Oh, the other one, yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Is this for 086 or August?
090.
Sonny, you're so quiet.
This
No, she's not.
First one.
You want me to be louder?
Yes, please.
Yes.
There you go. If you stand
No,
right
I
next
prefer
to her.
she's not louder.
The first one would be for August Young's case. The one here in 40 minutes.
37 minutes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh wait, the hearing's in 14 minutes now.
Actually,
The
no, there's
pre-conference
two
trial.
hearings. There's two hearings.
Oh.
There's one for one case and another for the other case. We got stood up on one. We're gonna see about the other.
oh,
Oh.
you get stood up on 086.
Why is
Can
everyone
I-
using numbers all of a sudden?
Can I watch?
CM
I'd love to.
086.
I'd love to be in
yes,
court and not be in the
086.
stands for once. Well, hot seat.
Is that why you're here, Sonny?
It is why I was being here.
Aw. Oh, did you get stood up by Killian?
Chlamydian? What?
Chlamydia?
Listen, calm
What?
down. You get more sanctions, all right? You give me deja vu.
Okay, fuck off.
That's what you said last time too.
No, I said shut up.
Oh. It was a long night. Listen, give me a break.
Yeah, in my defense, I was just matching his energy.
Never match Killian's energy. You're always gonna lose that fight.
Yeah, never do that. You will lose that.
Bro had me fly all the way to fucking Chiliad, only for me to find out that he was at Blackhawk.
That's
No
funny.
comment on that situation.
Raph?
God, they're in
What?
the graves.
I do.
That was Jace.
Oh, that was Jace. It sounded like Raph.
That was
Oh.
what? How did that? Well, okay.
Oh,
That didn't
Oh,
sound
that
like
sounded
Raph
like-
at all.
Okay, maybe not.
I was worried.
Now I need
I
a
thought they did.
comparison.
Are you sure you didn't dress up like not a homeless man because the governor started putting out the the appointment stuff?
No, I'm 100% okay with that. If someone takes my job, it's cool. I'm just gonna be a homeless person and
Who
live
the
my
hell's gonna?
manifest
Again,
destiny.
I'm really curious who's gonna apply for that other than you because I feel like that's a job.
There's
with a lot
ops.
more-
I got ops everywhere.
Who wants
I
that
have
job?
I have no earthly idea.
I get working for the PDO, right? There are benefits. Being the PDO, that's just so much stress for so little reward.
Yep.
This is why I'm gonna become a homeless person if I don't get it.
I thought you were already homeless.
Well,
Well,
Sure dress and act like it.
Hello.
Sorry, I'm just toxic for no reason. Who
Oh my
was that?
god.
Well, there's one judge here currently. Sort of.
Is there another one?
In the
Also,
wings.
he's on his
I don't-
tablet.
I don't know if there's another one on the wings.
That doesn't stop
no.
him.
Yeah, it
It
does.
doesn't stop anybody.
Doc, was that you?
Was what me?
Okay. Fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
Are you talking about a gavel? I don't hear
Yes.
a gavel.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
And mine is all the way at the bottom of my pockets.
Shut up.
I'll sanction you. You better watch
Shut
out.
up. No, you won't.
We'll make you fly out to Chiliad again.
Those
We'll be
sanctions
there.
in 1 week.
Jace, I'll fly you out to Chiliad.
Oh my god,
Is
uttering
that
threats.
Uttering threats.
No, it was an offer if you ever need a...
Uttering vacations?
Yes, exactly.
Permanent vacations.
No. Well, I mean... If you want to go out there permanently...
Oh, that's just the sound he makes when he eats.
Oh, is it?
Uh-huh.
He gavels real hard.
It's just
He eats.
massive fucking chompers clamping together.
I don't know what y'all are talking about.
Okay.
Oh, you are the only one here with the gavel.
No clerks get gavels.
Why does a clerk need the
No,
gavel?
they
clerks.
don't.
Some clerks.
Yeah, I don't think I
Best
fall into
clerks.
the category of some clerks right now.
Would you let me touch
Oh
your
my
gavel?
god, assault.
Yeah, you want to touch it?
Aggravated.
Yeah, I want to touch.
Actually, it's aggravated battery.
All right, touch it.
Okay, this
So
bitch.
powerful.
This fucking bitch.
Who?
Oh,
Killian just texted me. Where the fuck are you all? I've been sitting here for a hot minute waiting.
We're in the lobby, Killian.
yes, full of shit.
Yes, we all are aware. He's gonna have to take his ass out here and figure it out.
But in here 2 hours.
Hey Dan, you got your brain on you?
Always.
Let's go.
Sometimes.
Oh, this bitch.
Wait, is this the conference I was supposed to be at 5:30?
Yep.
Yes.
Not conference.
No
Probable
comment.
cause hearing.
Okay, a hearing at 5. No comment.
Hey, Doc, can you sanction Killian for me?
How much?
$1.
For contempt.
You need to submit a complaint.
I'm complaining he's late.
I think you've been here the entire time.
Oh, you absolute chill.
Did y'all ever email him, or
You fucking chill.
from what I hear, y'all never emailed him?
Oh, I would think that the person who scheduled the hearing would not be needing the emailing.
Well, yeah, he's pretty busy.
Also, is that not the job of the clerk?
But
I was
listen, I have
asleep.
him doing other tasks, okay?
I was
Oh,
doing
then
other
you are
things.
taking responsibility for these.
No. Y'all knew he was around and y'all didn't email him.
No, I
I
did
didn't
not
know
know
he
he
was
was
around.
around.
This. Bullshit.
I checked and he wasn't
True.
on duty.
I told y'all he was around for my bar exams.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Clarkson.
Oh, hey, Chief.
Fucking hours.
Yeah, you also seem to have missed the fact that I wasn't actually available until later today when you scheduled that.
No.
Yes.
Someone said that you and someone else was available. Hold on.
At
I had
8.
this open. Oh, it's just right here. I'm looking at it. And it says defense wishes to return to scheduling a probable cause hearing. My Miss Baker and myself are available. Oh, that says 8.
Doc, sanction him.
Well, he's not
Yeah.
like you.
Okay.
You want to wait till 8?
No, I have another hearing at 8.
Yeah,
See, look, I'm like
I
right
am
on time.
too having another meeting. Hearing at
Mhm.
8.
Who's the judge that you guys have at 8?
Atticus
Atticus.
Goodman.
Oh, he can fuck off and wait. Let's go have fun.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Wow.
Zachary.
Hmm.
Can you add me to the...
Someone want to text Montana?
Oh, yeah, I will.
Oh my god.
So you're gonna be over here, okay?
One time?
All right. I'm gonna say the minute first. If you fail this, I'm firing you, Daniel.
What?
I would.
Your honors, what does it take to be a court clerk?
The obstacle. What case is this?
Absolutely.
This is the
not.
Black
Just
Lotus
show
case,
up.
right? The
State v.
No.
Ricky Jones.
Okay,
State
so it
versus
is
No,
the
it's
Black
the
Lotus.
August Young case. August Young
Oh,
case.
it's August Young. Okay.
No,
086.
no.
This is 086 Ricky
086 doesn't
Jones.
exist.
Oh, hey, Judge.
Hey, Judge.
So nice of you to finally show up. Anyways.
What do you mean? I'm on time. I'm actually early.
No, you're late.
Like somebody.
I make my own schedule, so, you know. Also what?
If only he's sticking to it.
Hell, you gonna even pack no Shaka fit?
No. Okay. This is for the state of San Andreas versus Ricky Jones. Really quickly, refresh my memory. What part of the probable cause are we fighting? For the warrant? I assume, yes.
Yes.
Search warrant for the cars.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Take it away, Dan.
Oh, that's me. Okay, sorry.
Oh, thank you. Also, thank you for
Your
the
Honor?
follow.
A warrant was issued against Ricky Jones where the PD were requesting to search all of Mr. Jones' own vehicles. When we looked at this warrant, the original warrant request just states that Mr. Jones has a history of crimes and without comment lists those past charges. There are no lines drawn between those charges and those particular cars. They don't even list a PC specifically. They just say, and I'll quote from the warrant, I believe that these two vehicles are the vehicles most likely storing the Class 1 and Class 2 firearms, alongside any other illegal contraband in Mr. Ricky Jones' possession. But what guns in particular? They don't list any. Why do they think he has them, and why do they think it's there? For PC, we have to have a specific explanation as to why a crime is occurring. We do not know what their reasoning is as to why they are looking into these cars. The warrant seems more interested in just clearing him out if there are any. There are no witnesses showing those guns going into those cars, no surveillance, no informants, no utterances given for Mr. Jones. Nothing says those guns went into those cars. If I try to mind read what is not in this warrant, I suppose they could be trying to say that they believe he has a stash of guns he uses. But the only thing they bring in is this list of charges. These are closed cases, which are settled matters. Some of them are even no contest. They are also spread out over a long span of time with significant gaps in between. But again, this was not stated on the warrant. At best, it was inferred by the approving judge without those facts being stated. If this is PC, this opens up every person with a history of gun charges to have their vehicles searched on unsubstantiated belief whenever law enforcement would like. This is a huge overreach. Your Honor, this just doesn't make sense to me. Thank you for your time.
Attorney Kavanaugh.
Yes.
Do you have a rebuttal?
This that would rebut, it is not just the listing of the incidents and the charges, but the reports themselves relating to those charges and incidents that are the probable cause for the searching. If you are to review the specific cases that are cited, there is the information in those cases.
Okay. Is that the? I just want to make sure that's the end of your rebuttal. Yes.
Yes, I mean, I can go into each specific incident if you would like.
Nope, that's on you.
It was all presented.
Give me a couple minutes to review the PC affidavit.
I like this, Sonny. Thanks.
Oh, yes, you're welcome.
See, I guess women have good noses for this stuff. Yeah. I do not.
I don't really care about this case. Hey there. What's up, Jeffrey Ann? Oh my god. 25. Holy shit, 2 years, 1 month. I would dance for you, but I am in the court. Dancing in my heart. And they have a hearing right after. And then a meeting right after. And then I can be going. Look it on duty. Yearly price making the return. This defendant will not be liking me today. If the warrant does not stand, then the case will be dropped.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna be really be honest with you. I'm gonna be very blunt. I don't know how the fuck this warrant got approved. So I'm invalidating this warrant.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no probable cause. This is a witch hunt. Um. So Attorney Kavanaugh, when reviewing the warrant, just so you have my justification, us as judges only review what is on the probable cause affidavit. So if a reference to an incident report is made, unless they copy and paste either the contents or excerpts from that incident report, we will not review it. But I'm going to be honest with you, even going back and reviewing all these IRs, if I were to do that, I doubt that I would find the probable cause that he's storing weapons inside of his vehicle. Just because someone continuously has a weapon on them doesn't automatically mean that they're storing it inside of a car. I mean, they could be storing it in their house, a business, or they could just be randomly buying them off of people as time progresses. So, the probable cause was not articulated whatsoever. The officer had reasonable suspicion to detain, but there's no probable cause. So for that reason, 2024 WA 75 is hereby invalidated.
Okay, very easy. Then the state will be dismissed the charges.
Okay. Let me just fill out some of this additional paperwork really quickly. Do you have any questions about why I invalidated Attorney Kavanaugh?
No.
Okay, I just want to make sure because I have a feeling you're going to get questions when it gets public that I denied the warrant.
I will speak with you so far.
Okay.
Who is this?
Okay, well, then this case is adjourned. I'll write up my ruling right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Can someone with keys let me out to the lobby so I can talk with my favorite client ever? 100%. Not lying.
Winifred, your nose just grew.
Oh, fuck.
Congratulations, Ross. Not Ross, Montana. Sorry, Ross on the mind. Montana. Who then wanted Robinson? Jesus Christ.
What?
You know what? It's fair. It's fair. I messed up your name the other day. It's okay.
Yeah, but this is yours was way worse. Like yours was severely worse. I'm mixing you up with actual people. Yours was just bad.
Can I just tell you? I can't tell you, but there was a reason my head was all foggy.
That's
Actually, I'm going to delete this column. Perfect.
I don't get.
Hey, Doc.
Nah, you're a good dude, Raj. I do apologize though.
I believe he's thinking, Zach.
That's kind of what I was wondering.
What?
Do I have to leave or can I just be staying here for this other hearing?
You can just stay here.
Yeah, it's 15 minutes.
Nah, Miss Kavanaugh, I'm gonna make you leave and then come back.
What?
It is horrible.
Jace,
Yep.
can you let them out?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I figured that would happen. They just list a bunch of incidents. What they needed to do is saying something more. It was very surprised when they getting not warrant in the first place.
No, the application just opened today. For PDR.
I know
They
this
said the two
case would
entities,
either
right?
be not guilty or guilty based on the probable cause hearing outcome. And I know that they
Alright,
would
good luck.
be asking for it.
Mr. Goodman.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, Frederick.
Okay, I guess he's thinking too.
You say yes, sir.
I did. Apparently, I forgot.
Oh.
My voice didn't carry this much.
That's all right. You got a quick second?
Yeah.
Can we pop into a corner and come in there?
Ex parte, ex parte.
This is not ex parte. Get out of here.
I don't have to get out. He say I could stay.
That's fair.
Let me see. I'm going to edit this document. Where is it? Let's do this.
Hi.
Oh, hey there.
How are you today?
My God, I am good.
Okay. That's good.
Listen, I will be honest. I am not surprised at this outcome. I know that it will go this way or the other way. Either it would be valid or invalid. Most likely invalid. And the case would be either dismiss the charges or they will plead guilty. Not surprised.
Yeah, I don't know how the fuck what he was thinking when he approved that warrant. Like that doesn't make any sense. Like at all.
There would have been any statement or anything in there saying, yes, we saw him go to these cars and then he having these guns. That would have been something.
Yeah, that would have been PC.
But nothing like that in any statements.
No.
I am knowing the incident that stemmed this warrant 24444. If he would have cited that,
I'm sorry when it comes
would
to
have been
my
that. Oh,
What's your question?
So I just a follow up from yesterday, but I was really sleepy yesterday, so I didn't ask any because 3-hour court case. But anyway, so the initial docket, we can still object to whatever comes in on the initial filing. We can't name it by exhibit because obviously there is no exhibit number, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. We got mistold slightly yesterday, so it was a fun time to find out.
No, all good. Completely okay. Listen, when in doubt, just do it anyways.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, we did, and thankfully we had a lot of contingency for these. If it didn't count, then obviously we would have won the case because they forgot all the evidence. But sadly, it wasn't that easy.
Yeah.
All right, that was my whole question.
Perfect, no problem.
Thank you so much. Also, My first time ever trying to use bail to get sentencing down. Can't believe it worked. Very fun.
Yeah, I'm not commenting on that because that's getting judicial reviewed.
That's fair. I was very shocked that it worked, but you know, he gave me it, and I'm not looking this give horse in the mouth.
Yeah, he made a lot of questionable judgments yesterday.
Well, you know, if you want to overturn the case, we'd be cool with that.
Sonny.
No, I don't
yes.
do that.
Really important thing.
Cool
August
with
Young
that.
was
Do
just
you want to
involved
do
in a
that sua
shootout with Black
sponte? It would be
Lotus,
odd, but you know, I'm cool with it.
the officers can't really identify her like based off looks, but they got what they believe is her blood off scene. So she was just involved in a shootout and stuff like that. So if she's injured in any way, shape, or form, which it looks like she was when I seen her, she was just involved in a shootout with Black Lotus.
Oh, well, that is interesting. Did you get her DNA on the scene? Get the DNA warrant.
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. But she, like, based off that, we have enough. We have reasonable suspicion that she was there. We have a vehicle that belonged to her on scene, and someone that we believe matched the description to a certain extent on the scene. And then we also pulled blood and DNA from the area where we supposedly had seen the person that we believe to be her. So we have enough reasonable suspicion that she was there.
That is not probable cause to be seeing she violating the bail.
Yeah, but I think if maybe we, play a little game and fake it a little bit and see if we can get her to break and say, listen, we have people that can identify her and see how she reacts. I think that's our best course of action right now, because if we bring it up to the judge and say, listen, we have DNA on scene that we're pretty sure we'll come back to her. We have seen her at scene in a vehicle that belonged to her, matching the description with the blue hair and everything like that. That it's pretty damn close.
Our DNA is not on file, though. We'll need the DNA warrant.
We will, and I think we can petition a judge for that. And I think we should also find a way to like strip everything.
Yes, I am going to be moving to have the bail revoked due to the active threats against you and on the docket towards my person. And if they are denying the revoking of the bail, I will assert to have more stringent bail conditions.
But the thing is, I think I don't know. I think we should also check her for GSR. I think we should. I don't know. The thing is, we're like I said, the officers on scene can be mostly confident that it is her, based on everything.
Is mostly confident probable cause?
No. But I think it's something significant enough to bring up to the judge that her vehicle was on scene, someone that matched her description was on scene, and she had been injured on scene, and there's blood from the person that we have that matched her description on scene. And I think we should at least bring it up to the judge to see if he wants to make a determination based on everything, the threats, and then that.
Yes.
That's all
I am
saying.
agreeing.
All I'm saying is, like, if we bring it up to the judge, at least it'll be in the judge's knowledge. So if the judge says, oh, okay, with all these active threats and the fact that we now have a scene where she's believed to be at, and she, her vehicle matched a description, someone that was on the scene matched her description, I feel like with all that, that would be enough probable cause, combined all those things, to revoke her bail.
My only concern is if we're sharing this information, then she will be knowing that there is going to be the DNA warrant for her, and she may be try to hide from it. But if we are getting the stringent bail conditions regarding the check-in with the police, then it will be very easy to serve the DNA warrant.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know.
It will be a win-win, I think.
Yeah. It's a rough situation. I don't want her to be able to get out. And the thing is, I'm looking at her right now. She looks injured.
Oh, perfect.
Like she's like kind of like hunched over.
I hope she is
a little bit of
being
swaying.
okay.
Yeah.
Like she's swaying like she's injured right now. Look at her. Can you de-assort this with a reasonable suspicion? Let me make a phone call. Because if you can, I would maybe do that now. Yeah, I mean, if she took a bath or anything like that, she would come back negative. Do you think she have time to take the bath? Yeah, I think she would have had time to do that. Oh. Okay. I mean, it's worth a shot, but I think she would have had that time. Okay. Well, I'll let you make the phone call. All right, bye-bye. Bye. Oh, getting spicy.
Oh. Did you get it? I see.
I did. Nice.
I meant that with the binoculars. But now you got them back.
What is all these emails? This is the case. This is the other one. I don't really need the email.
Give them back to you.
Yeah, brother.
What? You're not supposed to give that to me.
Oh yeah, that's right,
This
huh?
one can be closed.
Come on, let's see it.
Nothing too crazy.
The gold seal goes hard.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's hard.
I had him spend extra on the gold foil.
Wait, that's not where my tax dollars are going, right?
No, of course not. This is before I became, okay. I gotta actually start working.
Fair enough.
Or if it was a law, it would be like a lawsuit. Yeah.
I just realized I probably shouldn't have my gun in the courthouse.
Listen, you pull, I pull. That's how that works.
Fair enough.
I liked it. I like this.
Oh, for sure.
I've never seen it before, so I just wanted
I stay strapped around here too.
I like it though.
Adam, man.
Too crazy a world out there.
You get close, I got a knife just for that.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think.
Listen, it's cleaned after every time it's used.
Huh? For hunting, right?
Ooh.
Yeah, I mean it's a knife.
Yeah,
I mean, you
for
gotta-
hunting,
it's
yeah.
used.
Yeah. I don't know what you were thinking about, Zach.
I wasn't thinking about anything.
I mean,
there's not a thought going on in the brain cells between these ears.
jumped on that way too quick, man.
So you're just reading the verdict out, right? Like it's not the actual trial.
There's not a thought between these ears, man. I don't know what you're talking about.
Interesting. So, like, if I knock, is it going to be hollow?
3 hours.
Yes.
Yesterday I was.
Oh, okay.
So I was passed out. Oh, fantastic.
Damn.
Damn,
Miss
it
Young, how are
really
you?
is.
It really is. Mm.
Hello. He said hello, by the way.
Hello.
Hey,
Hi.
are you doing all right? How's life treating you?
I just got shot.
Oh, that's
It
not
hurt.
good.
Oof.
Oh.
I bet it did. I
I
know how
also
that feels.
can't protect myself because I'm not allowed to have a gun. I got shot with a shotgun for just sitting there. It sucked.
Oh. Damn, sounds like me.
It hurt.
Just trying to get some damn lunch.
Maybe you should
Blast it, blast
hit him
it.
back.
I can't. I'm not allowed to have a gun. It's a violation of my parole.
I didn't say shoot him.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna punch somebody with a shotgun. That's a cool idea.
Hey, just flip him off.
This is like fucking
There you go. Uno
Yeah.
reverse card him.
Well,
Yeah,
the
straight
issue
up
is,
just-
if you flip them off before they shoot you, you're not gonna have a finger anymore to
Yeah,
flip
just
them
be
off.
like,
with,
just
so-
be like that. Yeah, as you get shot.
Yeah, if you do it before,
I mean, it's
you
kind of a
can't flip
power
it off.
move.
It would
well,
be.
he shot me twice, so I mean, if I had a gun, I could have pulled it out and shot back at least after the first time. But fuck me, I guess.
You just show this to him, and there you go. And he just can't shoot you anymore.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah, I
he's
guess
just,
that's
oh,
true.
it becomes that other
Oh.
game.
Should have thought of that sooner.
It's the other game.
Shotgun roulette.
I'm a roulette.
Oh, good.
Oh,
Found
wait,
those
yeah.
handcuffs.
Yeah.
Head,
perfect.
shoulders,
Shotgun
knees,
roulette.
and toes.
Don't shotgun me.
Where'd he kill
Mostly
you?
knees.
Oh, he's over there. He like just
What? Oh, when I shot you in the knees, yeah.
huh?
Yeah, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes
Mr. Kevin, are you with us?
and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Sonny.
Knees and toes.
Good deal.
Sunny day. Have the sunny day.
Should become a singer, Miss. Sorry. What's your name?
Sorry.
Young Roulette.
Oh,
August
Miss Young
Roulette.
Roulette.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
sir.
please become a singer, Miss Young Roulette, if your current vocation
Yes,
doesn't
I
work
am.
out.
I am present.
No,
I'm very
Are
sorry
you
for
though?
this.
All right.
Well,
That's an option.
would you be ready to proceed, Miss Day Kavanaugh?
Yeah, one moment. If I may, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Let me make that quick phone call.
Do
Like
what
3
you need,
seconds.
and let's get this show on.
I will say with the distinction making here, would be.
Before we stop, Miss
enough.
Kavanaugh, you wanting this
Yeah,
on the record?
if
or
they saw the
Miss
woman with blue
Baker?
hair with a gun, and if I can confirm that, and she said she was there, I think that we have enough then.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm
In
gonna
what
give a
respect?
call
I
right now.
want it noted that there was an objection there, but the actual
Yeah,
hearing,
transcript
I
itself.
don't know.
I mean, her stuff is a sponge, so we're gonna talk about a sponge stuff. So this, I don't know.
I like
Yeah.
sponges.
I think it should be fine as long as there's no objection from Sonny to have it transcribed if Chase is available.
Sonny?
Oh, I am. 1 second.
Yeah, they said the person with the blue hair had a gun out in their hand.
Oh, really? No other reason?
So, and the officer did say that. They said the
not for
woman with the blue hair had a
brilliant
gun out.
I mean, the company
Oh,
makes the
perfect.
job easy.
Which officer is this?
I see.
Jackson Winfred, 260. And I think I'm sure the other officer could confirm that the woman with blue hair
get
also
any-
had a
if you
gun
don't,
out. But
you know, keep it
Jackson
on the record, I'm
260
just gonna keep y'all
100% said the
calm.
woman with blue hair had a gun out.
Or else.
So if she's saying she was there, she
Yeah,
basically gave
or
us
else.
50%, and we just got the other 50%.
Perfect. Violate the bail.
Mm-hmm. Because if she admitted that she was there, 100% they saw her with a gun out.
Yes, she does come in and say she gets shocked. She said,
Yep.
"Oh, I could not be defend myself because I am being on the bail." Well, she
Oh, no.
don't even have the gun license.
Yeah, but she had
Nothing
a gun
to
out.
do with bail.
So, perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I am prepared.
Hoorah. Question was still about whether or not there was any objection to this being on the record, or if there was any preference to the parties of this being on the record.
Oh, it does not matter to me if it is on the record.
You got anywhere to be, Jace?
My apartment. Eventually.
Hell, if you good cashing yourself a paycheck,
Ronner,
you're more
open
than
your
welcome.
mouth.
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right.
I'll stay here, keep everyone calm.
Good man.
I'm
Good man.
so calm right now.
But the judge is very quiet.
Better stay that way, Winnie.
Uh-oh.
Is he talking?
Very low.
Winifred?
By the way, Your Honor, the gallery is interested to learn from this, and they cannot hear you. As a heads up.
Oh, okay. Well, that can certainly be arranged.
Just to be clear, is there a specific thing we're waiting for?
You ready, Joyce?
I'm ready.
All right.
Oh, I'll get you. Okay.
All right, folks, we are now on the record here for 2024 CM090, State of San Andreas versus August, Young Roulette, and Sam Raven. Is with it. I believe there's an outstanding objection currently with it. Ms. Baker, if you want to proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. So my current motion is regard to Prosecutor Day Kavanaugh's participation in the case. I respect her very much, but it has come to my attention, I'm going to believe that she has some history with my client and the people that my client often run with. And I want to highlight here that this is stuff that's in the past, but and I respect that Ms. Kavanaugh has moved on in her life to other ventures that are very lovely. But these situations were very dire. The people
What
that she ran with was Miss August Young Roulette's group, and they had a very nasty falling out. And with apparently they were named Girl Squad, if that's relevant. They had a very, very rough falling out regarding some information that was told to the police, and then resulted in repercussions that were very dangerous to Prosecutor Day Kavanaugh's life, resulting in a restraining order from that, and a very long series of near-death experiences. And while Miss Day Kavanaugh has moved on with her life to other things, I think that that is a very strong impact on her life and could affect her judgment on how she handles this particular case. And I think a different attorney would be a better approach, especially since others are available. That's all.
Ms. Kavanaugh, response?
My response is this. I have been serving as the state prosecutor for at least the past 8 months. My conduct or professionalism not ever being questioned, and I holding myself to the highest of ethical and professional standards. I have never been tried to hide my past. Letty, August, I barely knowing her. I think if I reviewed my record, there was one time I get arrested with her. I have no animosity towards anybody. It is in the past. The past making me who I am, but I hold no grudges. And I am always handling every case being the same based on the facts and the evidence. If there is being any animosity involved in this case, it is clearly being on the part of the defendant, Miss Young Roulette. She is throwing around baseless and unfounded accusations. She is making threats on the docket, threats to me as the prosecutor, and threats to witness in the case. And it is the hope of this state that the court will not be allowing the defendant's malicious and baseless personal attacks to be dictating who is representing the state. The defendant is, of course, always having the right to be choosing their own counsel, but not be choosing the representation of the state. There is no matter of any conflict of interest for me in regards to this incident.
I have a rebuttal if you would like.
Absolutely, counsel. Proceed.
Keep it short and sweet. For one, I just want to correct a few statements that I do not see factual standing for. I don't see any witnesses that were threatened on the docket, at least. If they have been threatened, I have not been made aware of it. I also would like to move on to Miss Day Kavanaugh's record is as it is. Everyone has a breaking point, and I'm not saying this would be hers, but it opens the court in this trial up to questions that could undermine its validity. And where we have a choice, which we do, it is often better to preserve the validity of the court case over the convenience of the state.
Okay. Miss Kavanaugh, may I ask you a question?
Of course.
What is, if you don't mind disclosing this court here, what is your SABA record look like with the disciplinary action panel? Any strikes?
I don't believe so.
With it, when you applied to the bar, you had an expunged record, correct?
That is correct.
And with it, what was in the time between of this expunged record and your date of hire with the DOJ?
I believe 2 to 3 months between record expunged and to be hired city bar.
So in that time now, and let alone 8 months practicing as a DOJ prosecutor, you've had no SABA complaints regarding any disciplinary action panel points.
That is correct to my knowledge.
And with it, there's no conflict of interest that you see, Ms. Kavanaugh, with regards to this.
No, I do not see any conflict of interest.
All right. Ms. Baker, do you have anything further?
The only thing that I would point out is that, to my knowledge, Ms. Day Kavanaugh has not had a case with these particular groups of individual of which she had a restraining order against in the time of her being a prosecutor. Again, I'm very hesitant to say that she will or won't do anything. All I'm saying is that there are other options that could avoid issues.
You brought up earlier the fact of questioning this court's validity. What is it of this that you believe is questioning this court's validity when we have a citizen who is rightfully and seemingly turned their life around? That is what, this point of the expungement and why this state charges so much for it, is that it's quite a big deal. Is that, if we're going to call this entire proceeding into question, I think this court deserves to know why.
Yeah, understandable. From an outside observer and someone who would look at that, as well as some conditions that have been raised before, there is a through line, a narrative that could be drawn here relatively easily, where we have an individual who has in the past been extremely harmed. It was put in a position of power, and the minute that she was put in that power, she struck a plea agreement that was already previously signed. I'm not bringing that into question or asking you to look at that. That is a settled matter. But I'm saying that her immediate entrance into this situation resulted in an unprecedented removal of a signed plea agreement. And I think that could be damaging.
Well, certainly I do agree with that, but since we're moving to the plea deal, I will say is that with it, I've struck that as void just because like I said, the buck stops with me, and with it, I didn't accept that plea deal. So with it, that's where we're going to end that. All right.
Yeah, not bringing that into question, just bringing it up as a narrative that could be used. And I would rather the court not have to deal with that sort of question, I guess.
Well, I can certainly rule in my opinion today in regards to that, to set aside any questions regarding that as we proceed up here to trial.
If you were ready to make a decision, that's of course your purview.
Of course. Well, with it, there's nothing further. I'm going to take this under advisement. I'm going to side here with my man JC and make sure to double check some records and hopefully get some ruling out to you.
This state will also have additional matters.
Absolutely. What else do you have, Miss Kavanaugh?
This state asserting that there have been threats made against the witness in the case. The state is happy to share this information.
Absolutely. Can you tell me where you're looking at?
It is an email between myself and an officer. I can add you both to the email if you are liking.
Yes, please.
Absolutely.
Invite more.
I'll send you a copy too, Jace.
Okay.
Please let me know if you are able to be seeing that.
Indeed.
I can be seeing that.
Yes, thank you. While we're reading, if I could ask for a moment to confer with my client on this as well.
Absolutely. Take all the time you need.
Is this the one? No, I don't know where I put it.
All right, Miss Kavanaugh, what are you just wishing to proceed this into the record, or what are we doing with this?
This is the obstruction of justice. Try to intimidate the witness. One moment. Shall we pursue the violating of the bail?
Oh yeah, with the gun thing, 100%. Especially given the fact that she admitted that she said she was there or something like that, and she got shot by a shotgun. Or,
Okay.
yeah, it's up to you.
At
I
this
trust
time,
you.
this state will also assert that the defendant, Miss August Young Roulette, did be violating the bail. She was being observed with the gun being in the hands, which is a stipulation of the bail not to be having the firearm.
I mean, can we have someone attest to this, or we just pulling this out of thin air here?
Miss Young Roulette coming to the courtroom saying that she is in the shooting incident, unable to be protecting herself, but there are the officers that were being on the scene that are seeing her with the gun in the hand.
And do we have this officer that has seen her with the gun in the hand here?
I can get them to come.
Now they can be here very shortly, Your Honor.
I'd love for them to be here because I didn't have a gun that entire situation. Like, super would love for them to be here. I'd love to see pictures too because I bet they don't have any because I was not part of our group that was there. So please, I'd love to see that.
Well,
Any evidence you have, we would love to hear about it. Sorry, I'm
Do you want me to call
conferring with
the
my client as
officer?
well through this
Yes,
because
please.
this is a bunch at once. So, it seems to me like we have two separate matters here. We have the issue of the obstruction of justice, and then we have the potential bail breaking. Am I following that? I'm kind of hearing
yeah,
two different things at the same time.
So with it, let's pump the brakes here a little bit. With it,
Okay.
let's work on. So at first we had the motion to recuse the prosecutor.
Yes.
And with it, of course, we got that. And then, of course, I believe following next was the alleged violation of the bail by Miss Kavanaugh.
Yes, and the obstructing of justice.
And the obstruction of justice. Is there anything I'm missing in between there, Miss Baker, between the initial motion submitted by you and Miss Kavanaugh here?
My part of this is done. However you take the recusal motion, that's up to you. But I have nothing to add to it.
Okay.
The state is also having additional motions.
All right. Accused matter is done. Anything else regards to the violation of bail currently, Miss Kavanaugh, before we move on to more motions here?
No.
All right. Feel free to proceed then.
Let me see my notes.
Why don't you go ahead and also relay to the witness that we would be more than, I guess, to go ahead and subpoena them down here.
I believe the authority is on the way.
Wunderbar.
The state at this time will be questioning the court if the defendant, with the multiple independent filings on the docket, despite having the legal representation, is rescinding their, waiving their right to the Fifth Amendment rights.
My client is not waiving their Fifth Amendment rights.
It was very confusing with all the postings to the docket.
That's all we have to say on the matter. She is not waiving her Fifth Amendment rights.
All right. Anything further, Ms. Kavanaugh?
The state would also motion for the revoking of the bail of Miss Young Roulette. The state will assert, based on the recent conduct of Miss Roulette, making the multiple postings, the unfounded accusations and threats to the attorney as well as the witness of the state, that our continued behavior is endangering the integrity of this court proceeding.
Okay. Well, we can definitely call into question in regards to her violating the bail conditions. With it, as soon as you get that witness down here to prove so, we can move on to that matter.
The state is informed at this time that the officer did not see her with the gun. The state will apologize.
So I'm gonna guess you're gonna rescind that motion then?
Yes, for the violating of the bail, but the state would still motion to rescind the bail, or at the very least, employ more stringent bail conditions.
What new conditions would you like to add, Ms. Kavanaugh?
I would like for the defendant to be checking in with the law enforcement officer at least one time per week, and for to have no contact with any witness or the attorney in this case. The state will also assert that Miss Young is not in possession of a valid firearms license, having nothing to do with whether or not she can protect herself while on bail.
I have a gun license.
I do not have access to dispute that, so.
I do. I have a gun license.
But I am being informed she said she does.
I thought that it was revoked on the
I was gonna
21.
say I could check for the record.
Why don't you?
That would be lovely.
She does have a firearms license.
Oh.
It should have been revoked. I don't know.
While he does that, is there any objections to those bail conditions, Ms. Baker?
Yes. I believe that they are founded on some things that have not been addressed yet. In particular, I believe she's doing that on the supposed obstruction of justice she's levying. I would request that portion be held until all other motions are resolved, so that it doesn't keep coming back up and can be informatively argued.
Fucking killing someone by that time.
I am seeing here on the 21st of March, your gun license was suspended for 14 days. It is not 14 days since that incident.
I can go pick up my gun license. It wasn't actually suspended.
Well, just because you can go pick it up doesn't mean doesn't not suspend.
That's exactly what it means.
Oh.
No offense, sir, but I have a valid gun license. If you look at the actual MDT, I can go pick it up. In fact, I'll go do it right now. You're back.
My apologies.
Somebody locked the door. I can't go do it.
That would be a issue on the police department. I would.
Yeah, they never actually took it away.
Can you, Mr. Kavanaugh, if you can, where's her bail conditions posted? I don't actually
not.
see that.
It is
Do we have a
on
list
the
of those?
MDT profile.
Okay, can I get a copy of those?
I can post to the docket if you prefer.
Whatever's easiest for you, it's fine. Apparently, my client has also not been given a copy of her bail conditions, so that would be helpful.
She was 100% told her bail conditions.
Let me see.
Well, Miss Kavanaugh, unfortunately, that's on the side of the police for not fulfilling their duties and obligations there. So, well, I'm going to go ahead and deny your motion for the obstruction of justice as well. So we're just going to have the recusal matter here. With it, I'll take things that have been said here and what we have on the record that is still there. I'll take that on advisement, and with it, I'll have a opinion later, probably within the next 24 hours.
If possible, not to rush you. If possible, we would like to have that sooner rather than later, as my client is in a bit of a tricky situation and wants to be able to make an informed decision on next steps, and that would be a key piece to have that. So no rush, of course, whatever's easiest, but
with it, of course, with it, I can at least I can take the bail conditions in here tonight. All right, I'll take that under here. With it, I can please give that decision to y'all now, or in a little bit, and then I'll move the recusal to a later opinion. All right.
Okay, no problem. I have that up too. It's loud.
I am going to be very upset if they are recusing me from this case.
Ms. Kavanaugh, do you have anything further in regards to the bail conditions?
No.
All right. With it, I'm going to take probably a short little recess here on deliberations. I'll get those bail conditions to you.
Thank you.
Coach will be in recess.
You did fine. There was nothing you could have done. I didn't even. I have no clue why I was told two separate things, and I'm sorry that happened.
Oh, that is okay.
Yeah, that was. I'm not gonna lie. That actually frustrated me a bit because I had even said on the phone. I said, "Are you sure? Are you sure?" Like 10 different times, and they were like, "Yes, yes." There was 100% a gun. I said, "Okay," and then I called back, and they're like, "No, no, I didn't see a gun." I was like, "What? So where is someone getting a gun from?" Like, you don't just pull a gun out of fucking thin air. It's just frustrating because it was also very frustrating when no one was responding to you on when you were saying, "Hey, I need information, guys, so I can do this court case," and then everyone was kind of just not saying anything, and I felt really bad because, you know, it's hard work for you to do this, and if no one gives you anything, you can't do anything. And the fact that she was trying to get literally fucking nothing for time and nothing for a fine, and trying to walk out on no charges because of some weird ass deal that I don't even know how that even came into question, blows my mind.
Yeah, well, it will probably not be my problem because somebody wanted to make
Sunny
false
day.
accusations.
You're extremely loud.
Is that on purpose or no? I can't tell anymore.
Oops, that was not on purpose.
That's really bad.
No, I don't care.
Yeah,
It is stupid. You're going to let the person say whatever they want to be affecting the outcome of the case? I don't care about that lady.
No, I don't understand how the judge is okay with her still being on bail when she's saying, "I'm going to kill. I want to kill so and so." That's
She also
crazy.
making multiple specific threats on the docket, the open court docket. Well, I'm going to tell everybody you're a murderer. I don't care. Tell them. I not murder anybody. You say what you want. If they are going to let the little child throw the tantrum to get what they want, then they will just be reinforced the behavior, and that is what she will continue to do in the future.
That's exactly what they're doing. Like, I mean, why? I don't know. I think it's pretty crazy that she can hang out, do all these things, be involved in a shootout. Who goes to a shootout without a gun? I look, they may not have seen a gun, but I would love to find out that she had no gun at all. I would love to see the proof of her not having a gun. Granted, it doesn't exist, but I'd love to see it because I don't believe that for a second. There is no way you're driving or your friends are driving you into a shootout and you don't have a gun.
It is a shame that the police here don't pull out cameras instead of guns.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? Like,
imagine that.
We honestly, we should just have cameras on all our guns that zoom in 1,000 times to see exactly the details and pores on someone's face to compare it with the pores of other people in the state. It's crazy. That's actually fucking crazy. Dressed for war, but has no gun. That makes sense. I believe that.
I am being more upset about wanting me recused from case. I don't care about her. I do this case the same as any other case. I don't even know this lady, to be fair.
I don't even know where that's coming from.
I get
That's
arrested
stupid.
one time with her, and I had to go very back far in the criminal
Hey,
expunge
Sonny,
record.
when you get a chance, can I talk to you about something?
Yes, sure.
Oh, also, actually, hey, Doc.
I'm gonna.
No, he's
hey,
not.
if
Is
her gun
anyone here
license
with
is suspended, I'm gonna
keys?
take away her gun license right now.
Can you let Raph in? He's out in the lobby making puppy noises.
I am just very upset they call into question my
Sorry,
integrity.
Sonny.
Yes.
Hi. So I fucking hate being a lawyer. One, I don't like that I had to like. I respect the shit out of like what you made yourself into and what you come from. Like we both came from shit like that, and I respect it. And it's
Then
very
you would
rare.
know how it would be feeling to have it thrown in your face with false accusations.
I understand. I do.
I have put the past behind me. I am looking forward. I am handle every case the same based on the facts and the evidence.
Yeah.
I barely know this lady. I don't remember her. I had to look very far in the expunged record to find one time I get a race with her.
Yeah, I get you.
I do not understand the point to be changing the life to get the record expunged or somebody to be making false accusations. I am more than happy for her to be bringing any of these accusations to the court. Have somebody investigate me. We can litigate this for the separate incident. Nothing related to this.
Yeah, I get you.
If I have ever did give anybody reason to be questioning my integrity, then this will be something. But it is nothing.
Yes, I know.
It is damage to the reputation.
I have a very weird line I have to walk here because I am this fucking. I am the person who has to be speaking for my client and doing what is needed for a
Clearly,
particular
you
court
do
case.
not have to be speaking for your client. She is very good at speaking on her own behalf.
You're not wrong, but
I am very surprised that she is being allowed to make open threats on a docket.
yeah,
Threatening and intimidating witness.
yes, I can't speak to any of that. All I'm saying is, I am too soft to be a lawyer sometimes, but I hate these times in which I have to be an ass. I fucking hate it. And I respect the shit out of you. I need you to know that.
If I am being recused from this case, that is the court saying that I am not ethical and I am not professional.
I don't think there's a universe in which they do. And I also think there's a different way to look at it. I think it's there's a very particular way in which I did this because I respect you. One, I did not want to fucking do it on the docket. Absolutely not. I absolutely wanted it to be a more closed situation.
Oh, I am more than happy for your client to continue saying many things on the docket.
Yeah, that would make it better. It would.
I am having nothing to hide.
I know. Yeah. I hate lawyering sometimes is a thing. And it's not really an apology because I have to, and I don't see a better approach that I could have done, but I want you to have the context. That's all. As much as I can say.
That plea agreement, you cannot be blaming me for that. You know exactly what that plea agreement was.
I have no comment on that plea agreement at this time, but yeah. Do you have a better plea agreement?
No.
Yeah. Why not?
What do you mean, why not?
No.
Because of the facts and evidence of the case.
Yeah, but yeah, look, I'm not gonna fucking bark up a tree that doesn't fucking want it, but
She can plead guilty to all of the charges, and I will give the 50% time off.
okay. I appreciate that. But yeah, I fucking, yeah. I'm so looking, like, not because I don't like that you're going to magistrate because I don't get to be in court with you very much anymore, but I'm very excited for what you're going to become. Like, if we're being sappy for a second, and I am going to be sappy for a second, you're going to be fucking amazing.
I'm hoping so. I am very nervous.
You're going to be fine. You're going to be wonderful. I know it.
I will have to change the mindset. Still the same, based on the facts and evidence or lack thereof.
Let me ask, because I think you're literally the only person who might ever understand it. You were sent to prison, right? Do you recall what that was like being in there? Do you recall that feeling?
Yes.
I was in there for a very long time, and it's.
It is a very different experience for many different people. Sometimes people They were that prison sentence is the badge of honor. Happy to be there. Some people, it is like being the trap.
I felt like I was a very ugly rock in a rock tumbler, just slowly being worn away and not made any prettier, just made smaller.
I don't think
That's what I
anybody will argue that prison does not rehabilitate. Nobody come out of prison being better. Prison is the punishment.
Wish it wasn't that way. It's just you're literally the only person I think who maybe understands. The reason I can't be a prosecutor is because I see myself too much in the people that are involved in these court cases. I've been in that chair. You've been in that chair. The idea of sending someone off to something that I could not tolerate ever again it's insurmountable to me right now.
So what is your recommendation for the repeat offenders doing the same thing over and over again?
Like, here's the thing, like what I think is right and what I can tolerate to do is much different, you know? Like, I think there are definitely some people that should go to prison. I have had clients who I was mad that I won their court cases. I wanted them to get caught. It's very rare, but it happens. But I don't know. I put myself in.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
How dare you?
I'm so
I
sorry.
forgive you.
What are you saying sorry for?
I put myself in
I
their
showed my badge.
And it's just I'm me. I'm them. I'm going back to prison. It's me. And that fucking sucks. I can't. I couldn't be a prosecutor, and I certainly can't go to judginess yet because I am not over it, and I'm not over it.
I can recommend a good therapist.
I have one.
Think about though, sometimes the victims of these crimes, the store
Yes.
owner, poor Ravi. I don't know how he keep going to work every day. The people that be taken hostage for different things, they not always hurt. Sometimes they always sing, "Oh, they was very nice to me. Oh, perfect. I'm so sorry." You know, they were so nice to you and pointing the guns and tell you to get into the car, inconvenience your day. Sometimes I feel like the hostage should be charged as the accomplice.
Sometimes, yeah.
I don't know.
Like, there's all of this. I refuse a world that is black and white. It just doesn't fucking work like that. It is all grays. It is 100% grays all over. It is nothing is that simple. Absolutely nothing.
I am always happy for leniency and to be understanding, but when there is very blatant facts and evidence, and you are still continuing to be arguing, I kind of lose a little bit of sympathy.
Understandable.
I am
Anyway.
having to believe that people can be reforming. That is me.
Mm,
Every
that's
time I
us.
look at the expunge miss, I am looking and hoping that somebody else will be changed their lives. But people cannot be doing that without the clear plan and intent to be doing so.
Mhm. You have to do it in spite. Everything in the world, when you get into that loop, it drags you down. It makes you worse. Every single thing. You gotta just become good out of spite.
Not only that, you have to change everything about your life. You cannot have
All
the
your
same friends. You cannot have the same hobbies. You cannot hang out the same places.
Yeah. There's
I'm-
something too that's like, it is so enticing about the criminal life, right? Because it's like a trauma bond that's built right into adrenaline. Like, you do this wild activity, and you got these people watching your back, and it just
Does somebody have keys
sticks
that
you
can let me
together.
out for a second?
And it is so intoxicating, and
If
it's
anyone
so
does,
easy
they're
to
all
fuck it up.
on that side of the room.
No, I don't have
There's
any
no concern with letting her out, right?
Not that
I
I'm
don't
aware
guess
of.
so.
So, yeah, no, it pulls people in like that, lonely people, especially
want a
people
drink?
with nothing.
Yeah, I'm going to a vending machine.
No, but like I have a good drink.
That's the trick. It's
Oh.
they grab the lonely ones
Oh, you
early,
don't want
bring them
them?
in, and then they just get stuck.
And then people say they know nothing different.
Exactly. But in oh my god, I almost said as a society. God damn it.
I'll punch you
I
if you
did
ask
before
me.
I leave it here. Have a business. I used to run the business, and as part of the business, I would prioritize the
No,
hiring
I've been
of
dealing with-
convicted felons. Number one, to give them competitive wages for a legal job, and there we would also teach them the social skills, the life skills, the work skills, to be helping them to pick better choices. But very difficult to compete with the very easy and exciting thrilling life for to be committing the crimes.
Yeah, because work is fucking boring.
Yes, many times I just standing around writing his prep.
Hey, my lawyer lady.
Yes?
Can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, one sec.
Hey there.
10-4.
Hi there. Do you like macarons?
Yes. You giving me macaron?
It's more just a question. How am I getting phone calls on Monday and hello?
Hey, Sonny.
I don't know, depends. What do you need?
Oh, yes.
Listen, if one person understands change.
Shit.
10-4. Wait, who's getting searched?
Oh. I can't believe it was punching me like that.
Yeah, 10-4. Okay. Hey, Sonny. Someone just 311 that August Young might need to get searched right now. She might kill me.
What? Why is that?
Atticus called in the 311 saying that she should be searched.
Atticus?
Atticus just called in 311 and said need an officer down Occupation Street Courthouse to search a defendant in a possible violation of her bail condition.
Oh, what if the judge requesting?
Oh, was that the judge? Yeah, 10-4. Be advised, if there's nothing, the magistrate was the one that's holding this, right?
Yes.
Atticus, be advised. You need to go let the judge know right now that she just got on a bike and handed some and potentially got rid of something right before that 311 came in.
But when did this happen?
Just now. Your Honor. Your Honor, may I speak to you for a second over here?
Who is asking me?
Over here, the detective.
Oh.
Calliope.
Miss Kavanaugh, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. In terms of the bail conditions today, that this court is going to be extending the further bail conditions of the prohibition of having a knife or any serrated blade on the defendant, and that the defendant should have no contact with any witnesses within this case or the attorneys on record. With it, of course, whether that be the current prosecutor, Ms. Day Kavanaugh, or the potential of other prosecution, if I so rule that way. In terms of that, within regards to the bail conditions, I am going to ask that Miss Young Roulette is searched here by the deputy back there in terms of her bail conditions.
Come here, buddy. Go ahead. I got a wrench. Is that considered a blade or whatever that you just made me against not allowed to have?
No, that's a dull object.
Okay. Yep, look at my lunch. It's so tight.
Your Honor, she's gonna be good.
Thanks.
Thank you, Deputy. Well, with that being said, this court has nothing unless no.
Your Honor, sorry.
Okay, Miss Baker.
Some things popped up while you were deliberating. First, can I ask, was your conversation with Miss Prescott, was that related to this case?
No, with it, as I was really speaking with her in regards to searching Miss Young Roulette here.
Understandable. Thank you. Just wanted to clarify that. So the other thing is Miss Young Roulette here, when she walked in, had a gun license, perhaps an error, but when she went to go check now, she does not, which means it was likely taken from her in time in which we were here in this hearing. It is my understanding that that cannot be done retroactively if that is not done properly at the time.
With it, is that I understood that that was probably going to happen and come through due to this proceeding. With it, I wasn't going to take that into account and that anything is ex post facto. And with it, it was going to treat it if she possessed a gun in here in this courtroom's proceeding today, then we would have gone off that.
No, my
Okay.
my gun license was revoked though.
I know it was revoked now. Yes, with it, I wasn't going to take that whether it had been revoked or not. I was going to take it as if when you walked in here today, since you still had your gun license,
but the
you were
problem
still
is
able to get it. Please
Okay.
don't interrupt me. It's my courtroom.
I understand that.
Okay.
But it's just been illegally revoked from me. That's what she's trying to tell you.
There has been some practices in the past that if it is missed, it cannot be done retroactively. I unfortunately do not have any case law on that, but that has been a practice that my client has witnessed herself, and by other judges. I can provide more information if needed on that. Your house, your rules. I just want to lodge that is something that I believe was done unlawfully.
Okay. Well, there's nothing further. Are your new bail conditions, Miss Young, were that?
One very, very last thing, and I promise you won't hate this one.
Okay, try me.
Okay.
It's so thirsty up here.
Sorry. Please go for it. At this point, we would request the option to change plea.
Well, wait, we do what?
My client would like the option to lodge a change of plea with yourself.
Okay.
Would you be open to that and allow her to state what she would like to change to?
Sure. I mean, I doubt the prosecution will have any objection, but
No objections.
proceed, counselor.
Okay. My client would like to state her plea now.
I'm changing my plea to guilty.
Oh. Well, that's sure simple to ask things, huh?
Yeah, it does. Told you you'd like it.
Well, goodness, I guess that moves us on to sentencing recommendations then. Oh, excuse me. Actually, no, let's backtrack there. Miss Kavanaugh, do you accept the defendant's plea here?
Yes, Your Honor, this state will accept a guilty plea.
All right, wunderbar. Now let's move on to sentencing recommendations.
One moment, please. Do you have any objection to give any time off?
I wasn't the primary. So I mean, I'll leave it up to you. You're the prosecutor. If you want to give her time off, you can give her time off. I mean, how much were you thinking of taking off? Like, what's her total time and fine? What would that have been? So I'm curious.
185 months, 8,550 citation.
Yeah, I mean, I'll leave it up to you. If you want, you can give like, what's I'm curious. Let me just do some math.
I have it currently. She was to be charged a maximum 185 months and pay a fine of $8,550.
Would you say 100 months would be fair?
Yeah, I think that's more than fair. That's
It is
more
almost
than,
50 months.
Yeah, it's almost 50% off.
Yes, almost 50%.
Yeah, I mean, if that's what you want to do, I'm not going to give you shit for it.
I'm happy to give the state time to confer.
Although she's making threats.
Yeah, I mean, if you wanna round it off at like 110 just to be an ass, I say you could do it.
No.
Okay, then 100's fair. If that's what you want to do. Because the thing is, like, it's up to you, right? Because we all know the resolution, regardless of anything. If she doesn't end up getting time off, she's gonna want to kill us, and if she even if she gets time
gonna
off,
want to do that anyway. That's
Yeah,
probably
that's
why
what
she
I
wants
was
to
about to say.
change the play. Get to work right away.
yeah, she I guarantee you, she knows for a fact how much I was pushing for so much here, and I guarantee you, I'm gonna be the first motherfucker on her list, without a doubt.
Okay. Does the defense have any recommendations?
At this time, we would request 50% time off. Yep, 50% time off.
The state would request 100 months, almost 50% time off. The state is considering the amount of time, well, not really the amount of time being on the bail, but the behavior of the defendant on the docket.
Are you wishing to seek an obstruction of justice charge here, Miss Kavanaugh?
The state will withhold on that charge. And believing that we did take enough of the court's time with this.
If you got something, Miss Baker, proceed. I'm currently deep in research.
Oh, you're perfectly fine. I literally just realized I was almost terminally dehydrated. Figure of speech, of course.
I don't want you falling in our courtroom here, Winnie.
I am very
You
calm
need
and
anything
chill.
to eat? I went and got some Ego Chaser bars. What date? Oh my god, a potato. Yeah. Would you like to see my coctopus?
Miss Young Roulette, I would caution you greatly about your next conduct within this courtroom.
What? I'm showing her my chicken. And then what did I do?
If that's all that is, ooh.
His name is Coctopus.
To advise everybody, we are still on the record here.
That we
He's
are.
in an octopus costume.
All right, that's enough about whatever the hell that is.
The transcriber is still running strong. Just to reiterate.
Yeah, I can run by that. I'll accept that, Miss Kavanaugh. All right, 100 months. What are we looking in terms of fine?
That would assert the full fine.
And that's $8,550, I believe, correct?
Let me double check. Yes, Your Honor, it will be 8,550.
Yeah, let's do that too.
I just want to confirm there was no question of her bail, correct?
No, is that with it, since she's going to be changing her plea, is that her bail can be, I guess,
Returned is typically how it goes, yeah. You get fined and then returned again.
yeah, she can be able to go through the judiciary asset form and be able to get her refund of her bail that way.
Understood.
But yeah, we'll be issuing the $8,550 fine. With that, if there's nothing further, finally, I think, is that I believe Miss Prescott or the fine deputy back there, if you one of y'all want to, actually, the deputy back there, why don't you go ahead and take Miss Young Roulette into cuffs? Well, yeah, into cuffs here, and we'll move back here to the cells and move on to processing. That matter, this court is now adjourned for the final issue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Alright, she's gonna be coming out here. Okay. What I was trying to say to you before, Sonny, was that look, I had a troubled past too. I got into drugs really bad. I did a lot of things that I regret, and I'm here today too. So I'm very proud of what you did. I know how hard it is to just fix your shit and get your shit together, and no one should ever judge you based on the work you did to put that together, because it's a pain in the ass, and I know it.
Yes, thank you.
I have a lot of respect for you. I just want you to know that.
Oh, thank you. I'm not going to be the prostitute anymore.
No?
I quit.
What?
Yeah, I quit.
Yeah. You're joking, right?
No, I got to be the judge.
Oh, you're going to be a judge?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I need to think of a cool name, not prostitute anymore.
Hmm.
I think I'm majesty writer.
I can bamboozle you so you don't do anything silly.
Or masturbator.
Masterator.
Yeah. Working on it. Well, that was interesting plea change right there.
That's why she went out. That's why she went out and gave the shit to the person. Because she was going to plead guilty. And if she got searched and she had something she shouldn't have had on her, she was fucked.
Well, to be fair, if I would have looked at the bail conditions before, you could have just searched her. At any time, with only reasonable suspicion.
Yeah,
which you
but
were
I
very
mean,
easily able to articulate based on the evidence and information you were given.
yeah, but if I searched her, I was gonna get hurt. To be fair, and that preferably, I have a meeting after this. I wanted to make it to that meeting.
It's very frustrating, though, to let the one person intimidating you from doing your job.
Yeah. But I mean, to be fair, the judge was gonna hammer down because of everything.
Well, now we just have Mr. Sunraven. Now we have to go back over all of the evidence and information.
Well, good news is it's all sorted. It's all done. We can move on from this. And good luck on being a judge. I can't wait for you to be my judge.
Oh my gosh, I'm nervous.
All right. I will bid you adieu, Sonny. Thank you for everything.
Just have this sunny day.
You too.
Hi, Sonny.
Hey there.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
It's very
Just okay.
violent, Zach.
I just
Very
did get
excited.
punched in the face by the judge.
What? Who? Which judge?
Mr. Clarkson punching me.
I'll punch him back for you.
Oh, please do. Right now.
Okay.
You know, you should do
No,
that.
not right now. I have to get my sanctions removed first.
Well, if you're going to get them removed, just get another one right quick. And then get them all removed at one time. Efficiency.
True.
Hi, Sonny.
Hey
The
there.
picture's almost done.
Do not think
My
I forget
pictures.
about somebody punching me in the face.
Who punched you?
I don't know who punched me.
Mwah. All
You-
better. Right?
Chocolate always help.
What about flowers?
I have never understood the flowers to be the representation of the relationship.
Wait.
Flowers are very beautiful at
Sonny, you only
first,
have one more case now.
but then they die.
Oh.
And she's a judge. Those are
Huh?
fake.
No, some ravens still not guilty.
Didn't. Oh.
Oh, I forgot about that bitch. Oh, I represent him too.
Hey, Sonny.
Yes.
Those flowers are fake, and I will love you until they die, okay?
Oh, perfect. Oh, my phone
That's-
is ringing.
That is.
Hello, this is BSA prostitute Sonny the Kavanaugh. What can I do for you?
I'll fucking cut those flowers.
Is Amanda Bear. My dad gave me your number. He told me you were trying to get a hold of me.
Oh, is this Lady Amanda Bear?
Yes.
Oh, yes. I don't know if you are being aware. I did subpoena you to be the witness.
Yes. I showed up to the pre-trial thing today, and I was told I didn't need to be there for that.
Oh, no, not at the pre-trial conference. No, this was for different matters other than that. Quickly, are you recalling be the hostage for this Evangelical?
I do recall being a hostage, yes.
Do you recall if
Adios.
anybody pointed the gun at you, threatening you?
Okay. Hello.
You know,
Hi, Zach.
the biggest thing that stands
We
out
look
to
like
me
a
in
fucking
that
power. Like we look
the
like
whole
a power.
situation was the cops actually handcuffed me and put me in the back of the car after the rest of it was over. So I don't.
Yes, I talked to the other individuals that was being hostage there. I am not familiar with the police procedures, but I am understanding that there was being 4 of you, and maybe only 1 or 2 policia. I believe they're doing that for their safety. Just the detainment.
Okay.
And I'm sorry if that making you feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, it did.
But are you remembering anything about being the hostage and the body pointing the gun at you?
I know that there were definitely guns there, but it seemed like everybody had guns, so I don't remember any of them being pointed directly at me. No.
Did you feel free to be leaving?
Oh, I didn't feel threatened. No.
You did not feel threatened at all?
Not really. No, they gave me food.
Never in danger of being hurt?
Actually, no. They even asked me kind of nicely to go with them.
Or did you feel like you could leave at any point in time you wanted?
Oh no, I couldn't leave.
Why not?
They definitely wouldn't have let that happen.
Oh. Do you recall the man in the red mask? Having the gun?
I don't remember any of the colors that they were wearing. That was quite a few weeks ago, or a week ago maybe, and I've had quite a hectic few days. I just got shot last night, so...
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry to hearing this.
Yes.
Let me see, I will be honest with you. You take a subpoena, but I probably will not need to question you, understand? You will still have to fill out the scheduler. And if you are being available, then you can become to court. If you cannot be attending the court, then I will request the affidavit just to be recalling to the recollection what they be happening.
Okay.
Are you familiar with the affidavit?
That's like the...
It is basically the first person statement, remembering as many details as possible. There is a specific form that will need to be filled out, and it must be signed in front of the notary.
You're fired.
Oh, okay. When does that have to be done by?
Let me see. What is your email address? Is it just Amanda Bear?
Yes.
And the other hostages there, are you being familiar with them?
No, I have no idea who any of them were.
Okay, that is fine. I'll do this separate email then. Just so that nothing getting confused. I can send you the affidavit form. You can fill it out beforehand. You just cannot be signing before speaking with the notary and sign it in front of them.
Okay.
I can send you this email. I cannot tell you specifically what to write in the affidavit, but just the you don't have to fill it out right now. To be honest. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this because I don't necessarily think I need every single witness to be testify. I just subpoena everybody involved to begin with to be building the case.
Okay.
So we will wait for the court date to be set and then we'll be in further contact. You should be sent a scheduler in the coming days. For this unless of course the other defendant changed their plea to get it, then very easy, no court. We will see.
Okay.
But I will go ahead and start the email with you just in case. Do you have any other questions for me?
No. So wait, I still have to be there even if you're not gonna call me to the stand?
I will as it getting closer, seeing who can and cannot be attend the court. But I believing that I can just get the affidavit and have you on subpoena for the court. And that is probably the route that I will go. But you must still, since you are subpoena, fill out the scheduler. And then after the scheduler, then I can be getting and submitting the affidavits.
Okay, sounds good.
If you are liking though, you can just jot down the notes and prepare for the affidavit, the first person statement, remembering the incident with as much details as possible.
Okay.
Do you need a ride, Sonny?
No, I am good, thank you. Okay, thank you for your time. I will go ahead and get that email sent to you today, okay? And feel free to respond to the email or call me if you have any questions or concerns.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have this sunny day.
You too.
Bye. Mm.
I might jaywalk if I stay in this courtroom for another minute.
Oh, don't do that.
Let me see. Where is the document? No, that is the... What is that? No, it should be in here. No, it's not. I can close this. Where is it? That is the code of behavior. Get what crimes. That is the resume. Where the fuck did it go? I think it's this one. Oh, hey there. Hello?
How are you?
I am good.
Good.
My case won't just cut half is easy.
Oh, okay. Nice, nice.
Suspect pleading guilty.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see how this goes.
I'm being very upset though.
Why?
The defendant on this docket making many threats to me, making many accusations, and the defense is wishing to have me recused from the case, indicating that I am being not ethical and unprofessional.
Okay, do they have actual proof of this?
No.
Then unethically and unprofessionally, they can go fuck themselves.
I just do not
They-
take kindly to having the accusations in the court in front of the judge.
What kind of threats were they making?
And to the public. This thing on the docket that I am the murderer, I am having the past with this person, and am not being able to be impartial and ethical.
Well, first off, it doesn't matter how impartial you might be because it's all about the evidence. As long as you're showing the evidence, it's always up to the judge in the end anyway. So it doesn't matter. And number two, you're one of the most professional people I know of. So they just need to get over themselves. I mean, I don't know what they're.
Fact. Even if I was hating this lady, who I am not really knowing, it would not matter. I am still presenting the facts and evidence of the case. If there is anything not based in fact, then you would have something to be arguing.
Exactly, and the judge would see through that. So I don't understand what exactly they're trying to get out of it. Do they just want to postpone it?
No, the defendant just they pled to guilty.
Maybe they were just worried because they knew you do a good job.
The only reason I'm offering any time off is because Lady Baker asking me if I was willing to offer any deal.
Okay, and what did you go with?
I reduced the sentence by 85 months, sent for 100. Full fine.
Okay.
Plead guilty to all of the charges. No reduction in the charges.
Okay. I mean, in the end, are you satisfied with that?
If I would not have talked to Lady Becker before, I would have pursued the full-time fine. Only because of the way she be having a nothing on the docket, I'm making the trace to the witness.
Right.
The judge did ask me if I wish to pursue the obstruction charge, and I say no, we have already taken more than enough of the court's time with this incident.
Yeah. I don't know.
No, well, you will not
It's just-
anymore because
I mean,
I've got to be
I guess
the
you were
judge.
bound to run into something like that. But I remember you telling me you don't even know this woman, so I don't know what she's even talking about. But I mean, I figured with your past, you're likely to go up against somebody you did run with eventually.
Not really. They like to always plead guilty.
That's well, I guess that's good for them. At least they're smart
And
enough to know
even if I have to go against them, does not matter to me. It's still based on the facts and evidence.
Exactly. I swear I hate how nervous I get with these damn things. My stomach is gurgling,
What do you mean? Oh, you have your pre-trial conference?
Yeah, in a little over half an hour.
Oh shit. What is yours about? Oh, the DNA
mine
work?
is the Foxville. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But so I may have a smoking gun that may halt this all, but I don't know yet. It's up to Atticus and what he thinks. But basically, I have possible bail breaching, and if that's the case, well, then she's screwed anyway.
Well, you will need to have evidence of the bail breaching.
Well, it's in the MDT. The bail itself is listed, and then right below that is how it was breached. No felonies.
Where's that?
If you look under Fox Wilson's name, it's one of the what do they call them? Tags or whatever that's up on her thing. And I talked with Jessica. I showed it to her, and she said to bring it with the judge and see what the judge says. The only issue I had was that when the person who handled the bail hearing did it, they didn't put it in the docket. The only thing in the docket states that she is on bail, that bail was paid, but it doesn't state the actual conditions, but it does in the MDT. So I don't know. That would be my only issue. And
I mean, it is a standard bail condition. If they are on the bail, it is implied.
Right, and that's what I'm hoping. So because the bail was issued on the 18th, if I remember correctly, and this warrant out for her arrest was issued on the 28th. So it was after the fact, but I don't know what the judge is going to say. He could go either way.
Or 28th. What
Yeah,
is the date of the incident, though? The 6th of February?
Yeah, so I don't know, because I was told that once the bail was issued or the warrant was issued, that would say, I don't know.
That
So
is good question.
So I figured I'd at least ask him. I'm like, okay, I just want to make sure if I'm breaching or what.
I guess this warrant will be served if she come to this probable cause hearing.
Mm-hmm. I just want to make sure he knows that there is a warrant out for her either way. But she's not required to come to this, is she? Just
I
her
don't think
defense?
so. It's just the council.
Yeah.
I would make them aware, though.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to. That she needs to at least turn herself in for that. I don't know what time she'll get on that one, but
This tricky, though, I do not know if it will be considered the violating of the bail, even though it is a charge that will be incurred after the bail being set. The incident is occurring before the bail conditions was being in place.
yeah, I don't know why it took them that long to issue the arrest warrant in the first place.
I'm sure they will plead not guilty.
Probably.
I would make sure to have some police on standby in case they're showing up.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Maybe a marshal. No marshals. What time is the hearing?
It's in 10 p.m.
30 minutes.
Yeah. And see, this is the weird part. The case that it's regarding is a homicide case. So I don't understand. I have to look at it. It's just random, I guess. That they have the arrest warrant for her out on the animal cruelty, but oh my god, I don't know.
I don't even see any mention of homicide.
In 22949, it's there. It's active warrant, homicide, Sticks funeral service.
Yes.
I guess that's why I'm slightly
But
confused.
there is no mention of any identified victim for this alleged homicide.
Yeah, I have no freaking clue. This is all, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is all really like confusing and kind of pain in the ass.
I guess it is the homicide of the animal.
Like, no, I guess maybe that's what it is. They just they named it wrong.
I don't know.
Because let's see, the kidnapping. See, and it's hard to tell too because they only go off of last updated, and so like evading arrest and unlawful possession of Class 1, that was March 20th. But the kidnapping was the 18th, but the bail was I thought it was the 18th. I don't even know actually when the bail was.
Probably it was because it was another warrant. 23723, I believe, is the case you are talking about. The incident occurred on 24 February.
February 24th. So that was the incident itself. And then when was bail made for her? Because if that's the case, what about this evading arrest? The very top one, 24802. Wouldn't that, or is that not a felony? A lawful possession of a Class 1
No,
and
that is
evading
felony.
arrest?
This
So then wouldn't
20th of March.
Right after the kidnapping, but I don't know when the bail itself was issued. Was it issued on the 18th? Or no, because she wasn't captured till... Hold on. She wasn't captured until...
What is the date of the docket posting?
That would be... hold on.
Let me look.
March 21st. So it was posted March 21st. This arrest report was the 20th. It says date created was 20th. So that was right before. The last update of it was the... Okay, so that was the... This was... Okay, the evading arrest was because they were trying to get her for the kidnapping. That's what it was. Okay, that's why. These two are technically...
Okay, perfect.
Okay, that makes more sense. I'm like, wait a minute. But she pled guilty to those. And she wasn't yet on bail, I guess, at that time. So she must have been put on bail on the 20th when this happened. Which, that's what it was. Okay, it's stupid. So while she pled guilty, she hasn't done time for it yet. They were postponing it until after this. Why? I don't fucking know, but... So she never served any time for that. So either way, she's going to prison for the latest one.
I don't know why they didn't send her to prison.
I don't know. I wasn't there. I don't fucking know, but yeah, I have a headache. That's all I know. This is all too confusing. These dates, I swear. I wish she would just...
I see, that is dumb. She pleaded guilty to
That
the
is
charge.
dumb.
She should have went to jail for those.
That is dumb. And I don't know why she didn't. And now she's got to serve time for that, and she's got to serve time for this animal cruelty charge as well. But, like, my thing is, I have a timeline of why they were awarded the DNA warrant. The DNA warrant proves that it was her. So, I don't know. I'm just going to go off the timeline and tell them, look, this is what was told when Tager asked for the DNA warrant in the first place. It was all based on, other events and basically process of elimination. Figuring out that it was more than likely hers. And so, they needed to prove that.
Well, I am only having 1.5 kisses left. I don't know what I will be doing. Yes, I do. I'm being the judge. I heard the meeting get rescheduled today. Nobody's showing up for the DOJ meeting?
I couldn't. I was going to, but in my Liberty job, I forgot that I had bus duty. So when I have bus duty, I don't get home until 7:30.
Oh.
No, 8:30. Sorry, 8:30.
I see.
So unfortunately, I could not attend.
I was in a patrol conference.
Yep. I mean, I don't know. I feel bad.
Oh my god, I saw the husband today. He looking so handsome.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, man. Then, that's right. We have to figure out the photos for the badges and stuff that we're supposed to do.
I don't think I will get one.
Well, oh, that's true. I guess judges don't need badges, do they? You know what?
No,
You
I
should
will
get
get
one.
one.
I'll just get one for the hell of it. Just dress cute and be like, all right, this is what I'm gonna go with, and then you'll have a nice professional photo. You can put it up as like your profile pic on Yeet or something. I don't know.
Hello.
Oh my god, hey there.
How are you guys doing?
I am being Sonny.
How did the trial go last night? Did you guys watch it at all?
Yes, I was there for the entire thing. There was an hour of pre-trial motions, sidebar.
Wait, what?
An hour of court, and then an hour of sentencing.
Oh. Glad I wasn't there.
How long was the trial?
Like 3.5 hours.
What was the outcome?
Guilty.
On all counts?
Yes. The defense attorney, my favorite part, Mr. Michaels arguing at the time of the raid. Technically, the marshals was being an ownership of the place. So the things they
because
finding
the
was
warrant
theirs.
gave ownership to the marshals.
Yes. I was like, are you serious with that argument?
It's not a terrible try though.
It was funny.
It's the marshals' property.
Yeah, the marshals should
That's-
be charged. I can't believe they're having this shit.
I can't believe the marshals are out here selling sawed-off shotguns to people.
Yeah. Well, he got 600 months, I believe 70 something thousand in citations, and then 5 additional days of probation.
Yeah, I didn't get the part where he claimed they weren't his, from what I was reading. But then there was a docket post from Ivanova that I guess he went to PD and asked for his stuff back.
Yeah, apparently.
How do you say it's not yours, then go to PD and be like, but I do want all of this stuff out of the locker. That is mine.
I don't know.
You guys got any other trials coming up other than this one?
I have 1.5 court cases, just Lady Katarina.
How do you have a half a court case?
Yeah. Well, because one defendant just pleading guilty today. We spent hour wanting me recused from the case, and then they just pleading guilty.
They wanted you recused from the case?
Yes.
For what?
Because they are seeing that I have animosity to the defendant.
That's interesting.
I have no animosity, but even if I did, it is still the facts and evidence that would be determine the outcome of the case.
Yeah, I mean, typically not getting along with somebody isn't grounds for reassignment, but
Mr. Goodman. Hello there.
Hello, Miss Kavanaugh. Magistrate Judge Atticus Goodman. How you doing?
I am Sonny.
Absolutely. With it, are you going to be staying to the next proceeding I have?
I was calling on the phone. I was like, who's
Yes, I was going to come to that if I can.
From
Okay.
Goodman.
With it, do you mind if I get a
Yeah.
quick sidebar?
I supposed to come back here for my
yes, I am still at the court.
pre-trial.
Wunderbar. With it, I
Yeah,
gotta
we have it in 20 minutes, right?
somebody, and then I'll be back over there. So I'll probably see you closer to when I'm slated, if I'm not a little bit late.
You're going to be late. You have 22 minutes. Not that I am counting.
I got a lot to get off my chest, Miss Day Kavanaugh. So yeah, it may take me 22 minutes. I can yap.
Okay. Good luck. We will be here.
Thank you very much. Absolutely. Godspeed.
Bye.
And then
Your magistrate might be running late.
Oh, what? Wait, wasn't he just here?
Maybe. I don't
Is he
know.
okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I literally saw him.
Okay. I'm not in any rush. Like I said, I'm ready to start whenever. Ooh,
Well, I can
Friday is
practice-
Larry Tate, and Saturday is the civil case for Black Lotus. Those are gonna be two interesting ones. Are you guys on either of those?
No. I got Katarina and Sam Raven. Then I am all done.
Is Sam Raven scheduled yet?
No.
Then you're all. What do you mean by all done? You're not taking more?
No. I will be all done. No more.
Quitting?
Yeah, I quitting.
Where are you going?
To the judge.
Oh, you going to judiciary?
Yeah.
Magistrate or clerks?
The magistrator.
Oh, you excited?
I am both excited and nervous.
What are you nervous for?
Well, I am very comfortable being the prosecutor. I am knowing the ins and outs. And the magistrate judiciary will be very new for me. And it will take some time to be learning.
I mean, an easy way to look at it, though, is since you were a prosecutor for a significant amount of time, right? Like, if you're looking at a case and you see that, you know, maybe evidence is missing that in your opinion as a prosecutor is missing, or you see evidence that's there that you're like, that's sure of a conviction. I don't know. I think it would help you make rulings, in my opinion.
Is that is the plan? Look at the facts and evidence, the same as prosecutor, and the lack thereof.
Because I mean, really, at the end of the day, right? Like, all of our jobs are the exact same. The goal is just justice, and that's it.
Yes.
And to make sure the administration process of justice is fair. That's all. No matter if you're a judge, juror, attorney for either side, it's all part of the same system. So as long as I think you've been part of the system, which you have, being a prosecutor, I think you'll be all right. I don't think there's not much to worry about. I wouldn't be nervous.
I try not to be.
And I'm sure there's obviously cases that, you know, you can sit on with Killian or sit on with Doc or Snack Lamar.
Oh yes, I see him last night. He presided over case this night.
Snack Lamar did?
Yeah.
He's a great dude.
Yes,
I haven't
except
seen
it
him
took an
prove-
hour for the sentencing, and first time ever they considering the time on bail for the reduction in the time to be serving in prison. It was very strange. I
mean,
understood what he
we've
was
done
doing.
no bail infractions before and considered that. Usually not the time on bail. Usually it's just, you know, they haven't had any infractions while on bail.
I believe he was concerned about the sentencing because the defendant looking at 2,000 something months.
Yeah, it's a significant amount of time.
And it was
Especially
non-violent
since
charges.
Financially, he probably already get hit pretty hard anyways.
Yes, big fine.
Above, I think the last I saw was like supposed to be like above 70K.
It was, I think it was 76,000. They dropped it one charge of the class 1 position. I might need to take a nap.
Because there's too many charges of criminal possession of class 1.
Yes, I am believing.
Yeah, it's only what, $500 so?
I think 750.
Is it 750?
I could be wrong.
It's the class 2s that really stack up quick.
If we didn't know, I never have a class 2.
Yeah, but you know about the charges.
That
You're
is
aware
correct.
it's significantly more expensive than a class 1.
In addition to the fine, he did also lose a lot of items in money and drugs.
Yeah, he probably lost about 100K in items in contraband at the same time. It's
Yeah.
like a 200K swing, 100K, and then almost 100K in fines. It's a rough night.
You're very rough. When I lost my probable cause hearing today, did not matter. I knew it would go that way. I
Which
saw the
probable cause
warrant.
hearing did you have today?
What was the name? Shit, I don't remember. Let me see. Ricky Jones. They're searching 2 cars and finding things. Oh, I need to lay down.
Did they appeal the search?
Yes.
They already archived the case?
I dismissed the charges once the warrant was
Oh, yeah, they
invalidated.
archived it. Okay.
There's no reason to be arguing any charges if the search was being invalidated.
Yeah, usually they just don't actually archive them that fast. They'll close them and let them sit for a little bit.
Give me a few moments.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on.
Why does the warrant say I not employed Toby Tarts?
Here's a question while he's kind of walked away. If somebody has a warrant on them, don't they have a limited amount of time where they have to turn themselves in?
Not only so, not unless the judge is stipulating.
Ah, okay.
It is so loud in this courthouse when it rains outside. Is it just
It really
me?
is.
It is
No,
pretty
it's
loud.
loud.
I'm hoping this
It's like a
judge showing
fucking
up.
hurricane out there.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm having the headache. I need to go to sleep.
What time did you get up this morning? How many hours ago?
8,
How many hours did you sleep last night?
like 7 or 8.
Okay.
That's not
yeah.
bad.
At least got some good sleep last night. That's not bad.
Yeah, but my eyeballs is hurting.
Mental tired? I hate that. Your eyeballs hurt, your brain hurts. You're not like physically tired, you're just like done for the day.
No, very complicated.
Very complicated. I hope you feel There's
like
no
when
way.
people, it's like when people have to go in for like a endoscope down their throat and they have to be awake for that shit. I'm like, nope. I don't care how much you
No,
know me.
thank you.
Nope. I'd rather you go up the other end and look that way because you ain't going through my throat. I would die.
Oh. I feel like the other end would also be awkward.
I mean, I don't know. It'd be less awkward. At least I could swallow normally.
That is true.
I have a really, really strong gag reflex. So, like, even thinking about it makes me gag.
That is unfortunate for your boyfriend.
Well, luckily I don't have one, but even
I'm
then,
just kidding.
See, I don't mind. Like an endo would be fine. It has to be fine, but touching my eyes is a different story. And like dentist work. So Novocaine doesn't work on me.
Ooh.
So most of all of my dental work almost has been done without Novocaine.
Oh my
and
gosh.
then for root canals, they just have to put me out because
Oh yeah.
anesthesia works, but yeah, Novocaine does nothing. It has no effect. It's super annoying.
Yeah, I bet.
But you do get used to dealing with the pain, as well as tooth pain is way worse than anything else, and I would rather just have it fixed instantly. Tooth pain annoys me.
Oh yeah, because then it throbs through your jaw and your head, and then it's just. Ugh.
And I like food, and it makes eating difficult, and I really like food.
Same.
Food's
I
great.
just like chocolate.
Okay,
Also
but what
same.
kind of chocolate? You can't just say you like chocolate. There's
All of
varying
the
levels.
chocolate.
All of it. No one likes all chocolate.
See,
I
for me,
like
it depends.
Do you have
dark
a favorite?
chocolate.
White, dark? How dark? We talking like 80+% coca? We talking
Probably about 80%. What you get
Okay.
higher than that, it is too better.
Okay. I can respect that.
I only like dark chocolate if it's like caramel filled or something like that, because then that kind of takes away from it being dark.
Dark chocolate cream filled, like with a vanilla cream is really strong. Who do you
And
think
then all
makes the
milk
best chocolate? The best
Oh.
prepackaged chocolate.
Probably.
Mine's Ghirardelli.
Yep.
favorite.
Oh, yeah, that is good one. Very good.
I used to go to this place a while back, and they had a ice cream shop, and it was Ghirardelli's, and so you could get like their chocolate pieces on it and stuff. It was so good.
There's one in San Francisco.
Oh.
There's Ghirardelli Square in San Francisco, and it's where
Ooh.
like I think the original Ghirardelli factory was. But they have all of their stuff for sale. They have all samples of literally every flavor you could think of, and then they also have their ice cream and like sundae shop and stuff inside the little complex thingy. The actual square is disgusting now because I don't know. San
Oh my
Francisco is
gosh.
just kind of gross in general.
I just remembered my anniversary coming up in 6 days. I need to take a
Ooh.
present.
That's pretty nice. Is it your first year? If I remember
Yeah.
correctly. Okay, nice. I forget what the first year is. Isn't it like? Is it just flowers? I can't remember.
I think it is supposed to be paper.
Paper. Maybe that's what it is.
Who is this person standing in the corner?
Paper?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean paper?
Like a card or letter or something like that.
There's rules around this shit?
Oh yeah, you can look it up. Wedding anniversaries, first year, second year, fifth year, I think, or there's like a bronze year.
I thought it was diamonds every year.
I mean, that doesn't hurt.
I am worth a diamond every year. I don't know what to get. I will have to be creative.
Want to be creative.
Oh my god, my birthday was yesterday. I forget all about it.
Oh god.
How did you miss your birthday?
I don't know. Too busy.
Happy belated birthday.
Oh my god, thank you.
Mine is in 18 days.
I can't believe the
Mine's
husband
in
not
months.
remember my birthday. I didn't even
Cav
remember my
forgot?
birthday.
There's
yeah.
no way.
Listen, I guarantee he going to forget the anniversary too. Ugh, I need this air conditioner to be blowing on me. I need to go to sleep. I'm just going to cover this eye. Maybe if I eating some food, that will be helping. I don't know where this judge at. Give me a minute. I'm gonna go find some food. Ugh.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Mr. O'Hagan.
How are you guys doing? I guess I was talking to them earlier. I let them know that probably just Miss Fox is going to come in, by the way.
That's fine.
I think they thought everyone... I think they were all confused on what this was, to be fair.
Yeah, I mean, she's more than welcome to attend, but that's about kind of it.
Yeah, I told them we typically pretrial conferences, the defendant can be there if they want. They don't have to be, but no spectators, just due to, no court security or anything. And they're super informal and just kind of trying to get it done as quick as possible without wasting everyone's time.
Yeah.
But I am ready to start whenever you guys are.
Yeah, let's get in the courtroom here. Let me meet with Miss Kavanaugh here real shortly, and we can proceed.
Miss Fox, if you want to come in with me, you're more than welcome.
See you guys on the other side.
Lady Bishop. This way. If Lady Fox is here, have the warrant. Maybe, speak to the police, yeah?
Okay.
Get them here to be served the warrant.
So what do I do? Like just call an officer that's on duty right now? Or should I put it in like a 911 for
Here,
it?
let me do it.
Okay.
Let me see.
Let's see if anybody can even. Especially if, like, what's her name? We're around. That's who I would call, but.
No, Lady Prescott.
No. Yeah, nobody involved in this case that I can see. I mean, Karina Thorne's around, so she's command, so I guess could talk to her. I mean,
This I will call her.
Okay, perfect.
Hello there. This is being State Prosecutor Sonny de Kavanaugh. I'm sorry to be bothering you.
Oh no, you're all good. What's up?
It is my understanding Lady Fox Wilson is having the active warrant for the arrest.
Who?
Fox Wilson?
Okay, alright, what about it?
There is being the probable cause hearing relating to the case current against her on the docket, as she is present at this hearing.
Okay. Wait. Okay, there's a PC hearing for her and she's at the hearing?
Yes, she is in attendance at this hearing right now.
Is she not supposed to be there?
Well, it is not required. My thinking though is if she is having the warrant, this would be a good time to apprehend her.
Oh, Jesus Christ, oh my god. Okay. Alright, yeah, thank you for, letting, me know. Is this at Occupation Courthouse?
It is, yes.
Okay, alright. Thank you for letting me know. I'm currently in a situation, but I'm gonna see if, we can get an apprehension sorted.
Okay, thank you. I don't know how long it will last, or how long she will be here.
Why the fuck is she there? Okay, you know what, never mind. Alright, yeah, thank you, Sunny.
Anybody sent as soon as possible would be perfect, thank you.
Oh, yeah, of course. Alright.
Be safe, have this sunny day.
Yeah, you stay safe as well. Okay, bye.
Bye. I would maybe, hold off on the,
I don't know what I'm doing.
discussing
saying anything?
the warrant is until the courthouse is at least secured.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna wait till they lock the doors.
Miss Kavanaugh, can I get you for a moment?
Yes, of course.
Why don't you come back here with me to my chambers real quick?
Oh, it's locked.
Oh, excuse me, I forgot.
I don't have the key.
Yeah, that's fair enough, but you will soon here.
Yes, very soon.
All right. A couple things going on. One is I need you in the best way possible, if you can, communicate to police that Fox Wilson has a warrant out for her arrest signed by a judge. And I'm not
that
going
is
to
already
have
being done.
Wunderbar, Miss Kavanaugh, wunderbar. And I will not have an incident like last time.
Can we be locking the courtroom?
Yes. I'm going to go around here and I'm going to lock the doors.
Yes, I already did call and speak to the police about this.
Wunderbar. Well, we can handle that when it comes here, but I'm glad. You don't know how much egg is on our face here when we allowed the defendant, in that case, to slip out of this courthouse and supposedly make a drop-off.
Yes. I did speak with the officer. I told her, with the current bail conditions, it would have been well within the police right to be searching her before.
And I need to tell you something candidly, Miss Kavanaugh. And this needs to stay between me and you here.
Yes, of course.
Is I called Detective J. Lamb multiple times trying to get him to come down, as I didn't want to complicate Detective Calliope Prescott over there, as she's a witness to search the defendant. So I was trying to get Detective J. Lamb to come down here and do that. But with it, unfortunately, we're in a meeting. I tried pressing it. It was urgent. Anyways, I got told, after multiple phone calls, I got told to, do 311 and an officer will be able to reach me. As I was told, I shouldn't be calling officers trying to get someone down here to do a court-ordered search on a defendant. So yeah, it was a little urgent. But the issue is, I put in this 311. In the span of me doing so and me still deliberating my last opinion, which it doesn't matter anymore because now I got to write a due process hearing, is the fact that when I put that 311 in, is that somebody told Miss August Young about it, and that's why she had to leave so bad.
I wonder how she's knowing about it.
Because I was told that she might have a relationship with someone in law enforcement. And if that someone was awake, would very clearly know who it would be. Because here, I saved the text too.
That is interesting. It is okay. She is repeat offender. She will be here again.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, need an officer down here at Occupation Street Courthouse to search a defendant in a possible violation of her bail conditions. Magistrate Judge Atticus Goodman. Something stinks about it, Miss Kavanaugh, and I don't like it.
Me neither.
Well, that was it. I appreciate you meeting with me, Miss Kavanaugh.
Yes, no problem. You going to lock the door?
Oh, yeah, I locked the back one already.
Oh, to the courtroom.
Oh, give me a moment.
Let me see. Who could it be that she is? I don't know.
That is even a thing being wanted.
We're going to sleep after this. I was going to get on duty. I will have to do tomorrow. My eyeball is hurting too much.
All right. Yeah, I'll see. Nah, I ain't doing that mess. Well, y'all ready to proceed, counselors?
Mm-hmm.
Defense is prepared, Your Honor.
All right, whichever one of y'all want to start.
I'll let them start.
Yeah, so our first request from the courts, it looks like it wasn't answered. And we're just wondering if we could have a follow-up on it being answered. It is the subpoena for the probable cause affidavit for the warrant for the DNA, which is 2024 WA 65.
Yeah, that's what we're just going to be able to all answer it all here.
Can we get that the PC affidavit submitted to the docket for review quickly?
Yeah, let me pull it up here.
I wish the suspect did not be leaving the courthouse. You know, it's very nice being in this courtroom this long and computer not shutting down. Oh.
Who is that child?
This Mr. Atticus government.
Miss Bishop, do y'all have a? I mean, I'm assuming this came from MCD or something, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Do y'all have a incident report for it itself that the detective submitted?
You mean for the actual DNA warrant? You give me a
Yeah.
second.
Because for 2024 WA 108.
So the hold on.
Well, I have the warrant number as 065.
That's what it seems we are here to address today as well.
Yeah, give me a second. There's a few million things to think through.
Your Honor, do you mind if I approach?
Yeah, you may approach.
We just talk to you after the side, sir.
Absolutely. All right, Ms. Wilson, at this time, these fine law enforcement officers are going to be taking you into custody for a arrest warrant you do have out on you. And
Your
me
Honor,
and
can we just wait until the hearing is over?
We can do that privately, counsel. The defendant doesn't need to be here. We're not making any determinations of guilt. This is on subpoena notices and whatnot. We can do that here.
Yeah, I understand. I can't assist my client with dealing with their warrant they're being pressed and being charged for while I'm also here at the same time. Would love to be able to be two places at once, but it's not physically possible at this time.
Well, I'm unfortunately telling you that these law enforcement officers are going to take her.
Okay. Then we would request for the pretrial conference to be moved in motion for a time that the defendant is available for their own pretrial conference.
I thought it was a probable cause hearing.
Any objection, prosecution?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
All right, we can reschedule.
That's fine. Thank you, Your Honor.
Absolutely. Well, this pre-trial conference shall be put in recess for the time.
Hey, ma'am. Will you please face away from us so we can place you in cuffs?
Okay, I am so confused right now what I did.
We'll explain that. Okay. All right. I'm
Is
just gonna
this
be...
going to violate my bail? Because I have done nothing wrong.
It's for an offense that occurred before your bail, so no, it will not.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I'm just gonna be placing you in cuffs. Okay.
Cherry, are you guys doing it here? Or are you guys going to VPD or somewhere? Just so I know where to meet you.
Do you guys want to just do it here? Probably be
Yeah,
easier.
what
Yeah,
kind
they
of-
do
where-
have
wherever you
processing
guys
cells
want
back
me to
there,
go.
so yeah.
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 I just.
Okay.
Do you guys have keys to back there?
Yeah, we
I'll
do.
show you.
We'll take you
Okay.
back down.
It's my damn courtroom.
I know Atticus does.
Oh, can I be let it out?
Just follow. It's gonna be to the right, right?
Give us 1 second, Sonny. We'll let you out. Okay.
Familiar with this room.
You can actually get there from any of the 4 doors.
Oh.
It's
I don't know how to do
it's
that. I
through
don't
that
spend
door.
that much time up
Right
in
there.
here.
Okay. All right. Follow me.
Right there.
From the right side.
Pick a door. Yeah, it's essentially hallways built around the courthouse, if that
them
makes
out?
sense.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
Do either of you want to be here
Yeah.
since she has legal representation? Do you want to be there for our legal representation?
I mean,
If-
that's fine.
Okay.
You
I know
probably
Sonny's
Lady
gotta go to
Bishop
bed.
is okay. Yeah.
Okay. Sonny, do you want to be escorted out since there
Yeah.
are skinners out?
If you
beside
wanna-
of
Oh
the
no,
side of
I'm
the
not
door?
worried about that.
Okay. All right. I will get you out of here.
Okay.
Tao, I'm sending Sonny out. She's got to go to bed. Are you on the other side of the doors?
What's up?
Thank you.
You can come in now.
I think I'm going to go to sleep right here. I have to go. I have the headache right now. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for watching this sunny day and the above average night. We will be back tomorrow.